What up, everybody? How y'all doing? How you guys doing? What's good? What's good? What up, Stephen B? What up, Buzz Blab? What's good, AB Mike? What up, Louis G? What's good, Kelvin? What up, Gotta Trade? Josh Jess is in the building. What up, Josh Jess? What's good, everybody? Yo, that song was fire. I want to play that back. Yeah. What's good? That one guy's in the building. That one guy is here. Big Wick Energy is back. Let's go. Good to see you back here today, my man. What up, Mike Go? What's good? Mike Go, Mick Go. Louis G is in the building. What up, Louis G? The one guy's here. Did I say the one guy? Yeah. What up, Wags? What's good, Alfonso? What's good, Trader JX? How you feeling? Let's gamble on NFP. What do you think? Maybe we open up a one contract or something and just let it rip? Chola's in the building. That's good, Chola. Gotta Trade is here. Thank you, Lord. Gotta Trade is here. I think we're good. I think I know how to close the partials and do everything now. We'll find out today. Perez, where the wrench at? Where's the wrench at, Perez? Imagine if you pressed buy. Oh my God! Imagine if you pressed buy on Monday. Let's imagine it. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Imagine if you pressed buy during the boot camp. What up, Josh Jess? What's good, Lily? I dig it. All right, let's get started here. Let me just send the Zoom link out. I forgot to do that. Hey, gang, if you're not in our Discord, you could join our free Discord. There'll be a link in the chat. Great community in here. Honestly, I mean, I just can't see the grounds getting any better. I mean, there's so much support in here. There's so many good traders in here. There's just so many good-hearted people, which I love the most, man. It's like encouragement after encouragement after encouragement in the Discord, man. Yeah, facts. Transformation channel, yeah, absolutely. So you guys can join our free Discord if you'd like. There, you can hit ! Discord in the chat, and the link will pop up there for you. It's all free. Everything's free. This YouTube live stream is free as well, Monday through Friday. You guys can pull up here, hang out with us. We have a good time. We catch a vibe, especially when we got Z Gamer in the house. There's Z Gamer. It's good, bro. And yeah, so let me just send this Zoom link out here, and we will get the ball rolling. TK, my guy. All right, cool. Zoom link is out. Is everybody happy to have TK back here today? TK's in the chat. Throw a TK in the chat if you're happy about TK being back here today. TK's back. All right, cool. Let's All right, let's get started here today. I'm gonna use are these my circular glasses? No, which ones are these? Yeah, these are my circular ones. Yeah, we're gonna use these today, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's pray real quick. Let me pray for you guys on this lovely Friday, and then we'll get the ball rolling here. Father in heaven, Lord, we just thank you, Lord. We thank you for this time that we can gather together with like-minded individuals, Lord. I pray that that you would bless them, Lord. We thank you, just like the song says, Lord, for your overwhelming, your never-ending, just reckless love that you just chase us down. You fight till we're found, Lord. You leave literally the 99 for the one. So we thank you that each and every time that we were the one, Lord, that you would run after us. And I pray that there's the one out here today, and that you would go get them, Lord, or you would go get her and call them into the the plans that you have for their life, Lord. And I pray that those are blessed plans, that those are highly favored plans, and that you would speak to them, Lord, through me or through this stream or somebody involved in the chat. So we thank you for your overwhelming, reckless love, Lord. We just give you all the glory. We pray that you bless our decisions today, bless our trades today, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Awesome. 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 Let's do it. Let's rock and roll here today. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the news here. So we got news coming in here today. NFP, so it's not just random news, but some big news here today, right? So today is the 8th of March. It is Friday. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be professionals, man, for us to act like professionals, to trade like professionals, and to make decisions like the pros do. It's another day for us to stay disciplined and self-regulated to our plans, and we know that over time, through probability, our plan will get us to where we want to be. So that's all we're going to do here today. Although there's a sea of red folders, we don't change anything, right? We'll just stay tight as professionals and look for our opportunity to participate in the markets here today. So taking a look, speeding up towards 8:30 here, you have a lot of CAD news coming in. You also have non-farm payroll here for the dollar, right? So you got unemployment rates, you got NFP, and then you got the earnings here for the month to month. So very, very high level news here. And then I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. That's it here today. So 8:30 should bring a lot of volatility, and then following that volatility, we should have a lot of volume, right? And what we want to do is we want to sit tight and wait on the volume, right? There's going to be volatility, and then there's going to be volume. They're two different things, right? Volatility is typically a lot of just, violent volume, right? Where now the volume itself is going to be a little bit more smoother, and that's what we're going to look to take our positions, right? We don't want to get whipsawed and up and down and all that crazy stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, sitting tight here for 8:30, see how news comes out, and then take things from there. So that's it. That's all that's on the radar here today. Other than that, we should have a smooth day. There should be again a lot of volume, a lot of opportunities, and we're gonna see if we can take advantage of them. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis, take a look at the charts. But first, I have to request that you guys like the stream. Give the stream a like here today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let's do a top-down analysis, and we'll get the day started. We'll take a look at gold. We'll take a look at NASDAQ, and then we'll kind of chill out here and wait on news. So let's go ahead and talk about this weekly time frame here. Did I send the Zoom link out? Yes, I did. Good morning. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Good morning, Joseph. What's good, bro? Let me grab my tools here. We good? And let me just put them over here. All right, cool. And let's do it. So let's do a top-down analysis. Let's actually take a look at the monthly here as well, because, man, gold is just, hello, March. We were talking to you guys about March, and, some of you guys, this is like your first cycle in the market. So you haven't really been doing this for a year yet. But I've been doing this for 4 years, and really been able to watch the cycles now and get a read on them and understand, like, just the market's a little bit better. And March is typically the game opener, for the year. So January, February tends to be a little slow, a little rocky, and then March comes along and just brings the markets to where they need to be, right? And as you can see, you had January, February right here, and now you've got March just ripping away here. So let's go ahead and talk about this weekly time frame, and let's see what we got going on. So we know that there was a range right here. So we know that there was a range from here to here. Let's pretend none of this happened yet, right? And price, this was your all-time high. So what we were looking at was this massive rejection zone right here. So every time price had come up into this zone, what we would do is we would reject, right, and then come down and whatever, drive down. Same thing here. We came back up again. We attempted to close back above this level. We rejected and drove back down there, right? And then you had a third attempt, which was, I believe, was that last year, yeah, towards the end of last year. Another rejection, right? And these were your all-time highs. So I traded gold. I've been trading gold since this first rejection. So I've been up here every single time. And now, if you notice, hold on, let me get rid of this. We came up, let me get rid of this guy, and actually closed above, right? So this candle here finally closed above the range, and the next candle drove up and created all-time highs, right? Once we created those all-time highs, we came down, we rejected, we created resistance. That was January. February closed very weak doji, and now March is just a juicer, dude, like rocket ship. So we're breaking through all these all-time highs now. We've already broke through them. We're continuing to create new all-time highs, and we are just juicing here on the monthly time frame. There's very little to no bottom wick as well on this monthly candle, so just straight bullish momentum here on gold. So let's go ahead and see what the weekly looks like. Weekly is, yeah, so here is the big hint on the weekly. So notice how you had this range, right? You had a range right here, and price had been consolidating within this range. This was the all-time high I was telling you about, where we broke these highs, rejected, created that strong resistance, and then just chopped around in this range. Now last week we had a major closure, right? Last week we had this candle close above all of the resistance and the wicks to the left. Therefore you had this target right here, and boom, you know, wick has been filled. And we were talking about this yesterday, but notice how at one time this was an exhaustion wick, right? And we talked about this in the boot camp a lot, that when you have an exhaustion wick, it will exhaust and price will most likely consolidate, and then later on that wick will become a target, right? For when you get a closure, and the next candle should move up and fill it. And not only did we fill it, but we've just pushed right through it at this point. So gold is on the run. Gold is on the run here. So finally broke out. Now look, there's no targets to the left, right? So this is where things can get a little tricky. No targets. So 0 targets to the left hand side. Somebody made a good point yesterday that people would just target the fib levels. I pretty much agree with that, if there's nothing else to target. So but that wick has been filled now, right? So let's go ahead and see what the daily, this weekly candle has done its job, right? It's absolutely done its job. Its job was to fill that wick. It did more than enough. Now let's see, there's 1 day left. There's literally 9 hours and 40 minutes left in this weekly candle. Will we get a pullback is the question, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily has been just on the run, right? If you look at the daily, we haven't had a support since 2023, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days ago. So we have not had a bearish candle in over a week, right? Over a week. So same thing with the weekly. You had that daily candle closure above the range. You had a target to the left hand side, and price filled it at ease, you know, in what, 3 days? Yeah, we filled it at ease in 3 days. So what do we do up here now? You know, what do we do up here? So again, no targets to the left. If you see candles moving like this, I would expect a pullback at some point, right? Price to pull back and then continue on up, right? Create these new ranges and then begin to move up. Because now if you can come down here, right, now you have new ranges. So you have tradable ranges that you can participate in with valid ideas, right? Because if you get bearish candles closing, right, now you have a brand new set of ranges, right? So boom, boom. So it's no longer just that wick. So we'll see. I mean, we're calling for a pullback. Price doesn't look like it wants to slow down at all. Every single one of these candles are pretty solid, but if we do look at them, we do see that they're tending to get a little bit smaller, right, as they move up. So the bullish volume could be dying out somewhere within these all-time highs after breaking that, breaking that wick to the left. So let's go ahead and see. We are very, 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 very bullish here on gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, see how we can plan our trades here today. So it looks like the 4 hour juiced up, right? It looks like we were consolidating for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. like 5 4-hour candles, and then we moved up, right? So you got a support, stretch this out a little bit. You have a resistance, and that's your range, right? We've broken out of that range. Major. Who traded the London session tonight? Damn. Jealous. I'm jealous. What time did this happen? Oh, wow. Yeah, who traded London? Who took buys here at 62? I know some of you guys did. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So this is this is what we're looking at now. So I would expect this next 4 hour to potentially break the highs and continue on up, right? If we make this bottom wick. But what do we want to see? We want to see some sort of support, right? So we talk about this all the time where if price ran up during London, right? If you're very bullish on the day and price already ran up during London, then what's the only idea here for the day pretty much? What do we need to wait for here? Pullback, right? All we need to do now is wait for support. So let's let candles come down. So I'm not going to take sells here just yet. Let's see if we can get candles to come down, right? Create a support down here, and that's when we take our buys, right? You may get a steep wick too today, something like this, and then we could take our buys now, moving up, closing partials in these areas, and then letting someone in the chat let us know where the 61.8 level's at. Right? So that's kind of the idea here for the day. So that's what I want to see here today. If not, if this doesn't happen, and let's say news just comes out super good for the dollar or whatever the case is, then what we do is we wait for that we wait for some sort of a closure back below, and then we can go ahead and take ourselves some sort of a range 2, range 2 breakout like that. So that's pretty much it. That's it for the day. I'm gonna sit tight. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Like, where could we expect the pullback? We could probably expect it towards here, right? We can get a pullback here, or we may be able to get the pullback here. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to see if we can find some sort of support to move back up, because if we can get buys from here, you got about a 40-45 pip range. If you can get them from here, you're looking at like more so like 80 pip range. So just sit tight, be patient. If these are your sells, take them. They're not my sells at all, because and the reason, let me just back it with a reason too, right? So the reason these aren't my sells is because at any point, so what you're doing when you're taking these sells right now is you are fighting this massive uptrend, right? This very ferocious uptrend, especially on the 1 hour time frame. Look at this thing, right? You're fighting that right now. So at any moment, right, this candles do not have to come down just because I'm like, hey, we're gonna wait for a support here or here. They don't have to do that, right? They can easily just flip bullish right now, go like this, and begin to drive. Right? So that's the reason why I'm not going to take my sells at this point, right? I want sells to play out so we can come down. Where can we come down? If we look at the 30-minute, there's a support right here, right? There's a support right here. So we could potentially see the move down and support created here, or it can come back down into these ranges to try and test these levels here at like 62, right? So that's pretty much what I'm going to wait on. If we never get that support, and price does some sort of like break and retest of like one of these levels, then I may be down to take sells here today. Maybe. So that's it. That's the game here today. That's the game plan for me, and just gonna stick to it. Just gonna wait on it. Just gotta wait on it. 1 hour seller in London, yeah. Shout out to all you guys that traded that. Oh, let me shut this door. All right, cool. So that's the vibe here on gold. Any questions, any comments, concerns, anything like that? You guys have any questions on this? We've been moving up pretty aggressively here. We just now want to see if we could take advantage of buys, right? Because it's a very strong move up. If we can pull back, just like the markets will typically do, before they go up and create higher highs. That's all we're waiting on here now. That's it. Yeah, shout out to you guys caught that in London, man. Holy. Yeah, this was really good here. And let me guess, 3 a.m. Yep, 3 a.m. And this one right here. Probably would have took it based off of that. Probably would have closed partials right at this wick fill and just had a runner. Yeah, let's see. What would that be? Yeah, like 26 pips. Yeah. Very similar to the trade we took yesterday. You guys remember the trade we took yesterday? Some of you guys took the trade with me. Very similar to my trade yesterday, only opposite, right? This was a buy and that was a sell. What's up, Jerry? Cheers, bud. Cheers, cheers. During the celery play, yeah, the nearest resistance. So one thing about, so I wouldn't necessarily just say the celery play, but one thing about this play here, and this is typically when our playbook works the best, right? When there's a combination of two things, our setup and a high volume time. Right, so some of you guys know the times that high volume comes in. We talk about it all the time. One of those times is going to be London Open, right, which is my 3 a.m. So if you guys look towards the bottom, you'll see that this candle was the 3 a.m. candle. So not only did you have our best setup, but you also had it at our best time to take trade, or one of the best times, right, for London Open. So what you want to do is you want to ignore these minor resistances, especially when there's a wick to fill to the left, because the volume acts as dynamite. And we kind of bring this analogy up from time to time, is that picture dynamite, right? It will blast through rock. It'll blast through a mountain. So like anytime that you have volume coming in, and especially if you see this setup here, I would ignore this to the left, because the volume, which was going to act like dynamite, will blast through there in order to go fill that wick. So that's typically the target. So that's why I said that's where I would close partials, and then whatever happens from there happens, you know. But yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, London's been the play. London has been pretty solid all week long here. The one problem I keep facing is not knowing where the market is going to pull back to, especially in an uptrend move. That's the power of waiting, my friend. That's the power of patience, right? Everyone wants to kind of, you know where the market's going to reverse, but you can't guess these things. You know, your capital is too precious. Your time, your every day you can get closer or further away from freedom, and it's just too precious to play around with, right? So why guess? Why try and, the market's going to do it here, right? Don't take it wrong, but who are you, right? Who am I to be like, the market is going to, I think it'll pull back here, or I think it'll be here. Nah, what you got to do is you just got to wait. You got to wait for candles to close in your favor. That's why I said, when I want to see something like this. And then if I see this, right, which is a bullish candle closure, alerting me, so I don't have to guess, it's alerting me that I have a support now. That's when I will take my buys, right? But that may not happen there, right? What can happen here is that price can just keep going down. Now, will it flip bullish and make it look probably pretty good? Yeah, right? But it's still no confirmation, right? Because that bullish little move there could just be that candle making a top wick to drive down. So why try and guess, right? If you want to take a buy, you want to take that buy off of a support. That's where it's going to have the most power from. So I don't want to guess here either, because guess what? Price doesn't have to come back up at all for us, right? It could just keep bleeding all day long. So we never want to guess. And the problem is, no one knows where the market's going to pull back, right? It's not just you, right? If anyone says they know for sure the market's going to pull back here, they're lying to you, right? They're lying to you. They're basically going off of a level, but those levels can get smoked as well, right? So we don't know. That's why we don't want to trade what we think. We want to just trade what we see in the, on the what's in front of us here, this given day at this given time. So maybe try and use that perspective and wait on actual confirmation that there is a support before you take a buy. I get it. You want the good entry and the sniper entry and the sniper exit, but it just it's not how it is. That's not how it always is. What time zone am I in? I am in the East Coast. I'm on the East Coast. I'm in Tampa. Tampa. I'm in Tampa. Yep. Can we talk about range 2 below 30-minute support? Yeah. So what we're looking for, right? So what we want to see kind of is like, like right now, imagine taking a guess, like, all right, let's buy it here. Let's just buy here. This is probably where the pullback's going to be. There's wicks. We have no confirmation, right? Outside of, oh man, maybe there's some wicks over here. We'll reject, right? But there's really no actual confirmation with candles closing for you. So there's nothing here, right? So if we're looking for support, right? So we're looking for a support here. Let me use the solid one. So when it comes to range 2s below this level, right? We still don't want to take any sells here. And you may say, how come? We finally closed below. Well, going back to what we said, we don't know where the market's going to reverse, right? So the market can reverse right here. And then just in that prior example, this is where I want to take my buys. But it may not reverse there. Maybe price wants to move down today. Maybe it's tired of moving up, right? So maybe news is going to come out with really good numbers on the dollar and price decides to drive down today. So how do we take advantage of that also? Well, you don't want to take these sells because you could get caught in that fake out that we just drew out, right? But let's say price moves down and then we kind of die out a little bit, right? And then all of a sudden price starts coming back and we get this break and retest, right? If we can get some sort of a break and retest of these levels and then price kind of just stays below after, not before, but after we get a bearish candle closure like this, right? Strong body, then we could take our sells now moving back down because we broke below, right? We came back up, we retested the zone and we failed to break above it, right? So if price wanted to move up again today, it would most likely close back above that range and then look to fill this whole, area here. But if it doesn't and you create some sort of like exhaustion wick here and then a resistance, now you'll most likely come down to retest these lows and maybe even drive down today into like these ranges down here. So that's the only situation I guess today in which I would sell gold. So if we can get something like this, entry on the break of the lows later on after news, but we'll see if something like this happens today. We've got too much volume on a day like this, but we will see. That's a trade idea for later. Yeah, and basically what you're doing is you're just kind of, putting yourself in a position to not get faked out, right? Just not to get caught up in a fake out. Let's clone these. Cool. Cool, cool. Do I trade on? Yes. Yeah, I am using a US broker. I trade my own funds and or just I use TradeOvate, so they've been pretty solid. I'm kind of like tippy toeing on who I want to, or if I want to recommend like any broker yet, because I'm new to the Forex side of stuff, so I'm still futures side of stuff, so I'm still kind of like getting to know it myself. But I really do enjoy TradeOvate. Yeah, I really do. It's pretty cool. You could trade off TradingView and all that good stuff. Deposits are smooth, quick, easy. What up, Lewis A? What up, YT? What up, Wags? Wags in the house. Could we look towards 5-minute candles today? Yeah, potentially. Yeah, after news, you can look towards 5-minute, 15-minute closures. If you're gonna wait, so if you're trying to take advantage of some of the volatility from the news, if you wait for a 30 or a 1 hour closure, you waited too long. So yeah, you can scale down to the 5-minute today, 15-minute. You may see me use these 2 time frames here today a little bit as well, but these are really the only times in which I do use some of those lower time frames. Such as the 5-minute. The 15 you'll see me use mainly 15, 30, 1 hour, but yes, on a day like today, we may go down to the 5. Down to the 5. GJ also this week was on fire. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, GJ's doing real good. How much have you invested in this industry to become success? A lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort, a lot of work, but nowhere near what I see as successful, man, because I look up to so many traders who are just and have been just absolutely dominating the game, and their journey was no different. A very rough, rocky start, but eventually, got their stuff together and man, just dominated. And I love, you can't put a price tag on mentorship. I love mentorship, man. Like, I'm so grateful for all the mentorship that I get. A lot of times you guys only see me up here as the mentor, but when I'm not here, I am the mentee. Like, I am filling my brain. I am trying to learn all day long from people who have gone out and done things much bigger than me and things that I aspire to do. So like, when it comes to whatever I invested, it's only peanuts compared to what some of these legends have invested. But there's no price, there's no dollar amount, there's no time amount to share. I invest everything into me, and day in and day out. So I always try and get better at being me, and that also reflects on the charts. And then I always try and get better at learning these charts, man. It's a never-ending growing process. Don't end. You guys ready? Hey, what's up, Arnie? Thanks, bro. Yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ here real quick too. All right, yeah, let's do a top-down analysis here on NASDAQ. So Today's Friday, right? So this weekly candle is about to close up here. So we never broke the lows. Very interesting on that weekly candle. We're moving all the way back up now. Like if you break these highs today, you should continue on driving, right? Now the daily candle does not have a bottom wick yet. So for those of you guys that have been on the stream, you understand what I mean by it doesn't have a bottom wick, right? So what's going to happen most likely is this candle will come down to create a bottom wick. And if it breaks the highs, you should go, right? Now, one thing about what we have going on here on the daily is that yesterday's candle closed below this resistance level, right? So, and we kind of rejected it here. So being that we have no bottom wick and it's literally the last session now of this candle wasn't able to do much at all here to this point. We may begin to flip bearish, create that bottom wick, and even move down here today, right? Creating a new resistance. Some of you guys are like, it's the start of a trend, right? You know what I mean? So like we may do that here. So let's go see what the 4 hour looks like and see what we got going on. So 4 hour broke the lows of the previous candle. You should come on down and retest that support. Now, if we close below or not is the question, right? So this is the 4 hour range that you're currently trading in, right? This is just the range. Prices, you had an aggressive move up from this level. Price is just ranging now. If you close below, just like this candle, you should see a continued move down. So if you do close below this range, you will most likely see candles begin to drive down. There's a very, very clean range to the left-hand side, right? So boom, you get a closure like this. Next candles should follow suit, at least coming down, you know, into these zones like right around here, right? So possible trade idea here for the daily or for the 4 hour. And if that does happen, we want to take advantage of that 4 hour, right? This guy right here, boom. So we want to see, this is our confirmation candle. And then we want to see if we could trade that candle here later on. So especially after the open, right, of the market. So let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour is moving down here. You got a strong rejection right here. Very, very clean traffic. Now we are going to need a range 2 for these sells, right? So if we do take sells here today, we either need a range 2 sell below here, or we need the 4 hour candle to close below. And what's cool about if the 4 hour candle closes below, what it will typically look like is, what time is it? This is the 7 a.m. candle, right? So let's say, let's say this candle closes just how it looks, because there's what, 20 minutes left. Let's say it closes like this. Next 1 hour candle closes like this, right? So what that will do is that'll be the 4 hour closure. So you get a 4 hour candle to close below. Now, yes, you haven't got the range 2 yet, but what you can look for is on the 1 hour or the 30-minute time frame, you can look for some sort of celery play, right? And what that will do is on the 15-minute time frame, that will look like a break and retest, right? So that's what we can look for below these levels, and then we can target that wick fill a little bit later on. So those are some ideas there for NAS today. Let's see what happens. Big 4 hour close, I'll tell you that. So I'm probably just going to wait for the 4 hour closure here today. And then if we do close below and we get some sort of a pullback on the 30-minute celery, 1 hour breakout, then I would be happy to see if we can get down and fill that wick here today. So yeah, that's NAS. Just wait for the, if you're not in sells already, just wait on the 4 hour now. There's an hour left. It's going to be a big closure. Should point us in the right direction. Plans for today? Plans for today. Let me take a look at my schedule. Yeah, just probably a coaching call after this, and go hit the gym, come back, and do something with the family. Probably go out. It's gonna be pretty nice out today on this lovely Friday. What's y'all's plans today? You guys got plans today? Weekend plans? What you guys doing? What up, Ali Reza? TK, when are you coming back to Florida, bro? We're staying away from Kiki's, man. Eddie and Sam's, yeah. But we got to stay away from Kiki's, man. Either that or we got to go really light. What up, Ali Reza in the building? Frank K, no gambling. What up, Sam, man? Good morning, bro. How am I feeling? Fantastic. Holy. Hey, Arnie, that's the friend I want to have. Hey, man, just got back from the desk from picking up a bulk order of ribeyes. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing today, but you know a ribeye is going to be involved. Oh, Mother's Day on Sunday in the UK. That's right. Shout out to all my UK mamas. I'm going to Kiki's every day. Bro, we'll be taking naps. Nap. You don't trade TFT account anymore because of DX trades or why? Yeah, I actually have 2 TFT accounts, man. I have 2 400K accounts with them, so I'm just gonna sit them there. I'm not gonna touch anything. Like, I hear a lot of sketchy stuff with TFT right now, so like, I'm just gonna wait and see until they got it all figured out. You know, both of my accounts are sitting right around BE. They're 2 400K accounts. I know I could only use one of them, but yeah. And then I have accounts with Top 1 too, so I'm just waiting for them to figure out, you know, do their transitions. And it's a tough time, man. It's a really tough time for a lot of these prop firms having to really make adjustments on the fly here with thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people, you know, waiting, right? And we all know that people are not patient, especially traders. So, man, these guys are fighting battles, man. Fighting bad. And I hear you guys, right? So I see you guys talking about the brokers and it's freezing and it's not working, and I'm just like, ugh, that's a mess. I don't even want to deal with it. So I just threw some money in a live account. I'm just gonna trade this for now. Who knows? Maybe we'll take it to 100K or something. Doing housework with the kids, nice. Hey, verse of the day. Yes, sir. I seen that on the Bible app. Yeah, we can go to Texas. We can go to Texas and get some steaks, eh? What's the difference between futures and Forex? I mean, there's not too much difference. You know, it's all same stuff, candlesticks, and nothing really changes on the analysis side. It's just lots are different. You know, you got contracts instead of lots. It's little minor things, but you can just catch on to that stuff pretty easy. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. This is the time where you'll see who's actually got a business. Yeah, because when business slows down, you know, the expenses keep rolling in, right? So we're gonna see now who's standing on business, and who's not. You know, a lot of prop firms, and you know, it's gotten so watered down, to be honest, since my Forex funds. Like, you got like 18-year-old, 16-year-old kids now owning prop firms. I mean, it's becoming a joke. To be honest, and you know, none of those guys are going to be able to withstand what's going on right now. Only only the guys that are doing it right have their back office doing good. They're sitting on liquid, you know, like those are the only guys that are going to be able to survive this. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. The cream always rises to the top. And honestly, I seen this coming, man. Like since my Forex funds happened, like you guys know, I was trading live accounts with them for a good amount of time, man. And when that happened, like not only when it happened, but before it really happened, is like started noticing this crazy slippage, and we were trading on the live stream too. So like we were really able to see this. Like, damn, this is crazy. Be getting slipped. You get like spread in by like 2 pips, 3 pips, right? Then you get slipped by 4 pips, right? That's already what, 4, 5, 6. That's 7 pips cut out of your trade. Like nobody move, nobody gets clipped, man. You got clipped for like 7 pips per trade. And it just began to get a little sketchy, and then all that went down. And a lot of traders were like scarred, you know, like I'm almost scarred from that. Like, damn. So that's why I was on the hunt to look for a prop firm that we can like actually be cool with and trust. And like, in case things go down, we have, you know, one direct access to them. So that's when I began to answer some of my messages from some prop firms that have been reaching out to me over the months, and meeting with people and meeting with these guys and those guys. And, you know, then I met with Clay and Matt, and like, those are the guys that I was like, all right, all these other dudes, they are purely in this to like just have a business, but these guys are actually like, their morals line up a little bit with mine. So that's why I was like, all right, if I'm gonna do anything prop firm related, it's got to be with someone we can count on and someone we can have access to. So that's when I went and finalized, you know, an agreement with them. Like, yo, you got to take care of us. You know what I mean? Like, if things hit the fan, we need to be able to communicate and stuff like that. And they've been great. They've been awesome, and they're dealing with it too, trying to make their transition. And, you know, we're praying for them that they would be able to smoothly, you know, make their way through all this. But now I see people dealing with a lot of issues with TFT and all these other companies. I don't even want to say any names, but it's like, I don't know anyone over there. You know what I mean? I can't even help you. So that's why we got Top One, because we know some of those guys over there. We can actually reach out to them if like issues begin to happen. We have someone we can talk to, like not just a customer service rep, but the owner. You feel me? So just seeing sketchy things happening, but honestly I feel really good now about just trading my own capital on a US regulated broker. It's like freeing. Yeah. Yeah. Going old school. Yeah, you see? TK got some of their numbers too. We'll start calling them from we'll block the number. What was that again? Like, remember you could block numbers back in the day? Can you still do that? Yeah. Every time we talk to them, they're great. They made me feel like I'm family, not just a customer. Yeah, see, Candle Slanger, like, you know, there's a reason why I wanted to, you know, there was a bunch of others, man. I talked to like 8 other owners of prop firms, and they were just, I don't know, man. They just sketchy. Don't block my number. Hey, Dominic, let's go. That's dope. Private numbers. Yeah, what was that again? I know you had to like press a certain number before you called, right? I forget what it was. Do I think gold's gonna buy or sell? I don't know. I I actually don't know. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they're expecting here. So they're looking like they're gonna, oh wow, looking like previous. So they're expecting lower numbers here. So if you guys went and seen what Sam talked about yesterday, and I'm sure Sam will be here at some point before the news today, it looks like they're expecting way less numbers here. So I don't know, man. I don't know. We got to wait and see how the numbers come out, and then we'll just follow price. We will literally just follow price. So regardless of how news comes out, I'm still just waiting on everything we talked about here when it comes to price action. What up, Green? Good morning. Green is in the house. I know. I start trading in October and all these prop firms. Yeah, man. It's been a wild. Me and Green were talking about that the other day. It's been a wild 7 months, I would say. It was all good just 7 months ago. A lot of debacles going on here, man. Yeah, for personal capital, I have zero interest in any offshore brokers at this point. Anything. All right, 1 hour candle is going to close here in 3 minutes. So NY open is upon us. We may close here with no bottom wick, right? No bottom wick, and that could be a sign that the move down is coming to an end, but we got to wait 2 minutes for that. Remember what we talked about too. You may see a steep grab here, like a steep bottom wick, bullish closure, and then the move up. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. TK 2.0. We did the upgrade on TK. We had him in do not disturb for the last 2 days, right, TK? Yo, Green, you're hilarious, bro. All the mods I know are laughing at Green. Green, you're funny, bro. Ain't no comp, bro. Ain't no comp. Yeah, C4. I agree with that too, man. Yup. And that's why somebody asked me, yeah, you see, we close with no bottom wick here. So this may be the end of the drive down, and we may begin to move up here. So we'll see if we can create support. And if we do get that deep grab and then a fire up, I mean, there may be an opportunity for me to like have some fun here with like a one contract or something. If we get a really, really steep bottom wick and numbers come out, you know, the way they need to. Green, you're funny, bro. But yeah, anyway, I was saying, someone asked me C4 the other day about, hey, what would you do? Would you, you know, work with one prop firm, or would you, you know, spread it across multiple prop firms? I was like, and by the way, let's not call these things prop firms, right? They're funding companies, right? So prop firms are like legitimate, you know, like actual trading floors and stuff like that. So these funding companies, right? So I think I said a year ago, I probably would have answered it differently. I probably would have said, stick with one, work with that one, you know, just get paid out there. But now my answer would be totally different now. It would be like, yo, lay low, like spread it across, try and just get 1 or 2% on like 10, 12 different funding companies. That way, no one's paying out too much. No one's looking for any red flags. Like, you keep a low key under the radar, just 1 or 2% with each company, and just chill like that. Is Nick at work? Always. Yeah, they'll come, man. I felt so bad for this one dude. He had I think like a 10K payout, and they said that he broke a rule because one of the rules that they supposedly had was that if you open a trade, you cannot close it for at least 10 seconds. And they dug up and they found something where he had a trade that was only open for 6 seconds. And because of that, they denied his payout. Holy! I'd send green over there. Oh, Sam Capital's in the house. I was sending green over there. Tell him, go bring me my money. Sam Capital. How you doing?
How you doing? Yo, I'm doing great, brother.
It's good. He was good.
Fired up. Fired up.
Are you saying that they should sniper a buy right here, Sam?
I say.
No speaking English?
I say.
Oh, you guys missed it. He said something.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Got a little fuzzy there.
Yeah, my mic's been quaking. I don't know what's been going on with it lately, bro.
Yo, we need to raise money for Sam's new mic, chat. You guys down?
Yo, fund me from my mic, bro. What up, TK? I heard that you were in Do Not Disturb. Yeah, TK wants me to get that Rode mic. What up, Lucy? Yeah, Sam said, yo no entiendo. Yo no entiendo. What up, 11th hour? Oh, yeah, I see Rafi in the chat. What up, Rafi?
Oh, Rafi's in the building.
AB Mike.
No hablo inglés.
Hey, mi inglés es muy bien. Mi español es muy malo.
Yeah, I love when this guy speaks Spanish.
Yeah. Yeah, TK busy updating the AI.
Yeah. Watch out. New and improved.
TK got motion now.
Motion. D&D hit me hard. Got to bounce back out of that. You're a little woozy, little wazzy.
Live from the Oval Office. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to have to watch the State of the Union address. I didn't get to watch it last night, but without saying too much, usually they talk about some Black Swan events that are going to happen later in the year. So,
yeah, I watched a little bit of it. I'm like, what's going on? Honestly, these people are sick, bro.
Yeah, I kind of
sick individuals. Damn.
Very.
Sheesh.
What up, Swift YouTube?
Swifty. I like to call him Swifty.
Swifty. Yeah, I'll start saying that too. What up, Yuta? I think that's the name of the guy who runs the Bank of Japan.
Yuta.
Governor Yuta. Dodge roll. Yeah, bro. I have to watch it.
It is a bunch of
That's
crooks in
funny,
one
bro.
room. They're all invited there. It's like a movie. You know what I mean? It's like a TV show almost.
It's their own club.
It
Yep.
is. It's quaking. Chala.
Hey, chala. Yo, is Sergio here? Sergio.
Yeah, Sergio, TTE Bang Santos, where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
That boy is up. That boy is up.
Up,
He
up.
sent me a screenshot. He's up.
He's up, up.
Oy.
What do you think about DA? Oh, DA, my boy, man. Yeah. Yeah, no, I haven't talked to DA in a while. Damn. Where has DA been? Yeah, man. Yeah, when I was first beginning to learn how to trade gold, me, him, we would all jump on Zoom calls and stuff. That's crazy. Shout out to DA, man. He put me on pretty good with gold. Sheesh. Wow, that just threw me back. I'm gonna have to reach out to him. I haven't talked to him forever. Political mob scene. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was horrible.
Yeah. Let's see. Gold.
Sam's clicking. I hear him clicking.
You can hear me clicking. This mic is garbage.
It's like my old setup. All right,
Yeah,
Jack.
bro.
Click.
Come on, bro. I paid like $100 something bucks for this thing. It's supposed to be wireless. It's like metal and that. Nice.
Dang. Looks good. It looks good.
Yeah.
Color, is it
lights
black?
up and everything on the
Oh,
yeah,
fire.
something like that.
Oh yeah, I got those. I have those in white.
I don't know. That's like, I don't know why it's quaking. I think that's because I actually just like I like plugged it in, and I never did anything else. I think it's because like you gotta install like firmware and that stuff usually, like software for
Oh
it.
yeah. You just plugged in.
the-
You didn't even
I'm
hook it
the
up to the
plug and
computer.
play. Yeah, no, and then I wondered
Minimal
why. I'm
hookup.
Like, why doesn't this work?
Sam starts giving his like NFP idea 2 minutes before news comes up. All of a sudden, it just goes out.
Yeah, doo-doo-doo. It just turns off. Yeah,
Fridays,
when it
man.
did that to me in the boot camp, I was so mad, bro.
Yeah, the first
was-
time you were probably like, "Oh snap!"
Bro, the first time. The second time I was like ready for it though, because the first time I was like, bro, what is going on? Like we'll sit and Zoom in that all the time and talk, and it never shuts off randomly.
Yeah. How you doing? What up, Pablo?
Pablo.
Were you gonna say that too to Pablo?
Yeah.
Hey, we love Pablo. What up, Pablo? How you feeling today? Where are you at? Greatest place on earth?
Yeah, that's where he is, 100%.
Pablo's in the greatest place on earth.
If he's not, something ain't adding up.
Rafi. There's Anillo. What up, Anillo?
Anillo.
Anillo.
We got some real ones here today. Shout out to all you.
Best mods in the game.
I gotta
Hey,
leave my
facts.
like on the stream, bro. What am I doing?
Oh, me too. Hey, chat, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Let me go ahead and like the stream myself. Boom. Yeah, we got the best mods, man.
True.
Shout out to all the mods here.
Mods with some G's.
Top G's. Top G's. Bring out the whole ocean of mods.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Tell them bring it out.
Bring it out.
Yeah,
What up, Lazy
Pablo.
Panda.
Oh, I like that name. Chill Watchers. What's good, gent?
The final layer.
Yeah, give the stream a like. If you guys have been here for the week, if you guys have enjoyed the streams this week, I think they have been full of good trade ideas, good trading talk, good wisdom, good conversation all around this week. It's been a great week on stream. And lots of growth, man. Lots of growth. So our goal, our hopes are that you guys are taking the information and really applying it to your life, man. I get messages all the time, and it's just like so cool to see you guys really taking things to the next level in life. And that's why we're here. You know, that's why we're here, to really just, you know, be that beacon.
Yeah, I love seeing it too, because it's just like, you know, when you walk through like your normal life and that, man, you just see so many people that like they couldn't care about changing. They couldn't care about like bettering their lives. So like watching every one of you guys level up, bro, it's just a blessing. It really is. I love seeing it.
Level up.
Yeah, man. We need more leaders in this world and that too.
Facts.
So
yeah, man. Be
who in
praying.
the chat's gonna step up. Yeah.
Yeah. We got some hitters.
Yo, George, I love your last name, Whiffington.
George Whiffington. How you doing? Where's George VDM? George VDM. TK's refilling on coffee. So you guys don't know what that really means.
He's recharging the battery.
Reboot. Where's Johnny Washington? Yo, Johnny Washington. Doing from Johnny Washington to Johnny DiCaprio. Holy. TK's on the chart. Loving it, trading my setups, but love listening to you guys. Awesome. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that come here, even though you don't even trade like us. Like, W. Just coming here to hang out, like, just because we're like-minded, you know. You just to be here, you don't have to trade like just exactly like me either, right? But it's more so the mindset, the mentality, and just being around other winners, other people that are like-minded and have like similar dreams, similar goals, and like they're trying to, you know, do similar things in life. That's how you level up, right? You get around others who have the same ideas, like the same sort of vision, and that's when you can level up. Because if you keep hanging around, you know, the same people that you've been around that lack vision and don't want to level up, then it's going to be very difficult for you to step out and win at that point. You know, you really do need a squad, and it's good to have all you guys here, part of the squad, part of the TTE squad.
Yes, sir. It's true.
Yeah. Dropout traders in the building. Best CEO of Walmart. Let's Perez in the building.
Walmart CEO. Paras.
I can't explain it because I don't know, you know, it's from a kid movie, but like Perez is getting that next group ready, you know. He's becoming like the door, you know. Like if you want to really step it up and be a real mod, soon you're gonna have to, like, you know, it's gonna be like Perez, and then it's gonna be green, and then you're in, you know. You got to get through 2 doors, man. Perez, he's gonna check you out, make sure your wrench is legit, and then the big dog, you know. You get through the big dog, and then you're in. You're a new mod.
Yeah, for us first, then.
Marcus, what up, Marcus? Lazy Panda. I really do like that name. Jesse, I have not placed a trade here today yet. Nope. Most likely, yes. It's we got 15 minutes now here, and there will be very high level news coming out. So we're gonna wait on that, and then we're gonna look to follow that volume, right? Follow that direction of where price wants to go, and you know, hopefully we get a trade out of it here today. Perez denied the wrench to Joe Stewart. Joey Stu, where you at? Random Joe Stu call. Oh yeah, Karen, I like that. That's a good point.
That's so funny, yeah, bro. They're like the gatekeepers, but with the wrench.
Hey, where's Joe Stu? I don't know.
Yeah, bro. That's why you do Joe like that.
I don't know. I think he just happened to get lucky yesterday when we were calling for him. He just happened to pop the stream on. Maybe Johnny Boy sent him a quick like, yo, they're calling you on the stream. I don't know.
Yo, what's
I don't know.
happening real quick, Joe?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't see him here.
They're looking for you, bro.
And NYO, it's 8/15 NFP day. I mean, where you at, bro? If you ain't here, where are you?
Yeah, where you at?
Man's like, dude, snoring right now. He's out. Joey Stu, I don't see him. Why you do Joe like that, Perez? Green. Man said 600 seconds. Oh, man. Sugar Bear gone. Yeah, shout out to Sugar Bear.
Sugar Bear.
Good morning, Gigi. Good to see you here today.
Yeah, good morning, Gigi.
Have a blessed weekend. Enjoy making solutions at the farm. Enjoy it today.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. Today, we will be... Nah, I can't joke. I was gonna say casino.
Why don't you give him a quick like a summary of what you posted on your story yesterday, because that was all insane information. So maybe you can give them like a chopped up version of that, so they can kind of have an idea, because those were all great analogies, by the way, too, and very easy to understand.
So with the NFP today, well, like, first of all, like, I want to go back to like right now, like the sentiment of what the market is we're looking. Powell wants to see more good data before we can officially start cutting the rates and everything, right? But some of that good data that he's talking about would be things like NFP, CPI, PPI, right? So today we have one of those things, one of those good data events that he's talking about. And so if we can get good numbers here on the NFP, that makes us one step closer to bringing the rates down and cutting the rates, which we also know is a favorable thing for your assets like gold, stocks, etc. So yeah, if we can get some good numbers today, that should move gold up. They're forecasting at least 198K. Last month we seen 350,000, so I think there's a good chance that we could see that today. Higher than 200K, green numbers. But we'll see.
So green numbers. So if you see green numbers, so let's say we see 200 plus, right? Then where can we expect price to go now?
With gold?
Based off of that, maybe not like a direct area, but like up, down.
Yeah, if you see green numbers, you should see gold move up. If you see the red numbers, then gold should move down. And so the reason why gold would move down if you see red numbers, then that's showing that you're seeing slowdown now in the employment sector. And so that wouldn't be a good thing for the Fed to want to like cut the rates and that moving forward, right? So
yep. Sweet. Yeah, we'll see what they come out at.
Fireworks show, 10 minutes.
10 minutes away.
Yeah, let me see if I can't log into my DX. It's probably
DX
trade, bro. Probably already quaking.
DX trade quack.
Yeah, I'll just sit there and hit load every single time I hit login.
Mr. Whiffington in the house. Yes, sir. Why isn't Joe Stewart in the Zoom with all the Joe Stew's in Zoom? That dude's in Zoom land in Dreamville right now. He's on the Zoom in his dream. Say hello to all the animals for me. Say hello to your pigs and horses, and hopefully you got some cows. You definitely got some cows.
What about the unemployment rate? Yeah, so that'll come out today too. It's just that, like, the NFP will hold more weight. It's important, but NFP will hold more weight here today.
Yeah. NFP is going to be the biggie. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? What's good?
Is
What's
it
good?
not
What's good?
the opposite of what you said? No. There's an example for you guys who are in the boot camp. If you scroll down, I have a example with the NFP. You can see the green numbers and it moved up.
Scroll down where?
In the fundamental playbook.
Oh, yeah, yeah. He's referring to the
bad.
Discord chat.
Yeah. Or if you were in the boot camp or in the Discord. I'm not sure where it is in the Discord.
Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join the Discord. There's a lot of good stuff going on in the Discord. A lot of help too. Hey, chat. For now on, you got to remind me, yo, make sure it's on stops. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Potential steep grab here and then the move back up.
Oh, just like you were saying, no bottom weight.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What time did we talk about that? Let me check my clip it section. 7:57.
Oh yeah, we were looking for George VDM. He let us know he wasn't gonna be there in the mod channel. He said, "Have a blessed stream." Shout out to George VDM. Yeah, shout out George VDM.
So let's see if we can get this. Yeah, George VDM. So that may be what we look at here, right? So we close with no bottom wick. You may have this support form now, right? And then the move back on up there for the news release.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But so far playing out pretty well. Yeah, if you go back to 7:57, we discussed this idea.
Yeah, clip it.
Nobody move. How to save money? If I see money in my bank account, I just spend it. You have to educate yourself on what money actually is. I think that's the biggest things. You know, we just seem to get money and act like we need to get rid of it. You know, like it comes just as quick as it comes in, it goes out, and you have to understand what money is, how it works, and what its purpose, you know, is. It's not just, you know, get it and spend it. So study the laws of money. And that should do it.
Rafi says Johnny Boy woke up. Oi, yo, they're both in the Zoom. Oi.
Oh, damn. Rafi, where you at, bro?
He's here.
Okay. Man's in like some like
Oh, he's got
Egyptian
a new background. I didn't notice.
Egyptian king's like tomb or something like that.
Yeah, he's in King Tut's vault.
Man's in King Tut's vault. Welcome, boys. Welcome.
Yo, my air conditioner broke, so I moved to the other room. I got more gold on this one.
Yo, looking good, bro. Looking good.
Yeah, Johnny, I like it.
Johnny boy!
What up, boys?
Yo,
Rafi,
Johnny
Sam,
DiCaprio,
Nick,
how
good
you
morning.
doing?
Good morning.
How my brothers doing? Good?
yeah, I'm doing wonderful. How you guys doing?
Doing
We're
freaking
doing
good.
amazing, bro.
Fantastic, man. Fantastic. Johnny got some gold on
How you
too,
doing,
eh?
Nick?
Amazing, brother.
Yeah,
You?
bro. Oh, fantastic, bro. I was
Happy
a
Friday.
little nervous, man. It's been raining. We lost power here.
Oh,
And I was
damn.
like,
Oh, wow.
shoot, am I going to miss the
good.
stream today? But nah, we got power.
He got the
Nice.
power.
Get it.
Yeah,
We
nothing's
got
gonna
the
stop
power.
you from being on this stream today. Not even a
Nah, nothing.
crazy rainstorm.
Nothing.
Not even
Really?
a
Down
crazy
in
Bali
Florida?
rainstorm.
Oh wait, all right. Tell me.
Nah, bro, it's crazy. When it pours, it pours.
When it rains, it pours.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We got NFP coming
Yep.
up. Expecting to see a few things here. We'll see if it plays out.
I came just in time for NFP.
You did.
Nice.
Where's Joe Stu?
Joey Stu, I think he's at the gym.
Oh yeah, he's at the gym. Yep,
The
Guy's
gym's
grinding
more
away.
important than training for him.
You know, he's got to flex. He's living that single life.
Facts. Gotta lift them weights, you know?
He's looking for a nice companion.
He's going partner hunting at the gym. Sounds good.
He's gonna do a mating call at the gym.
Oh. Yeah.
I was gonna do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
We got jokes.
what up, Bless
You
Trader?
do a little trolling.
We like to troll.
Funny, bro.
Where's Joe Stu at?
We like to
Hey,
troll.
there he
We
is.
do a little
Oh,
trolling.
let's
It's
get it.
called we do a little
There
troll.
he is, Joe.
Oh,
He's on the hunt.
Yo, my man
there
Joe's
he
like
is.
He G-checked us.
green.
Wait, where is he? I don't even see him.
See him? You don't see him?
There.
He said he's on the hunt.
Oh, there he is.
Joe, what you hitting?
I'm
What
on
you
the
hitting
hunt.
at the gym today?
Joe, where?
He's getting his steps in.
He's getting his
Facts.
steps in. He's here. He's here.
Yo,
Whoa. He spawned in. Or dude just spawned in. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Sheesh. Just exactly what we planned. So we got 3 minutes left. We'll see how this pans out.
yo, what's good, Green? How you doing, bro?
Greenery.
Yo, chat, happy Friday. Let's go.
Yeah.
Spend the week strong off today.
What you all got planned for today, Friday?
We got
Absolutely
and
And
nothing.
where you going to the beach? Going to the
Nah,
beach?
no
beach.
You guys all quiet,
no.
like planning
no
something?
beach.
I don't know.
I know I should go to. I don't know why. I just don't want to.
Mm.
Oh.
I've
Your
never been to
Friday's
the
almost
beach.
over. You never
Yeah,
been to the
no.
beach?
Yo, hold on.
Nope.
Never
Never.
been. No, never.
I've been on an island
Wow.
one time. That was it. I've been to the Bahamas one time.
Sam's Island.
I was in Nassau.
Oh,
Other than that, nope. I've been in the ocean one time, and it was when I was there.
the
So,
ocean.
yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. I gotta come down Florida, bro.
Yeah,
Facts.
for real.
I'm out here. I'm out here.
Now you know what? I might go to the
lacking, bro.
beach today just for Sam.
Yeah, send me pictures of it.
Yeah, I need the ocean. Need the ocean water to do some work on my body.
They got the
I wish
beach
you was here,
club, bro.
me
They got
brother.
the pool down there and all that. Might have to hit it up. Hit it up. Hit it up. How you doing? You guys heard that?
What? How you doing?
Yeah, we got the how you doing. I gotta add that one onto
Where's that
the
version?
stream deck.
yeah,
Someone
you
wants
do.
the someone wants the heartbeat sound for pre-NFP.
That should be your mission this weekend to get that sound.
Yeah. No, I got it. Sam sent it to me.
All right, but
2 minutes. Yeah, look at this. Very good. Very good. Sam's Island. 1 minute, 40 seconds for NFP. How many of you guys got buy stops, sell stops? You guys playing around here or what? You got buy stop?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
not
they
that
are.
guy.
Let's see what happens here, man. Plays both. Nice. 0 stops. Oh, here we go. Will we get the exact print or what? Oh, down first. Do we go up?
Lovely.
Ooh, very nice. Oh,
This is exactly what I wanted to say.
here comes 52. Yep. 52 or 55 here. Straight down into that support. So that's nice. How'd the numbers come out? Let's take a look at NASDAQ too here. Nice drive down right into these wicks here. You see that? Oh, we should fly now.
Damn.
There it is. There go the highs again. Who's in? Who got caught holding the bag on the sells? Anyone? Oh.
Alright, gold, just go to the moon.
Wow. Took the breakout. Nice. Yeah, you got it. If you were in those cells, you got to close those things quick. Yeah, down first, then up. So we talked about this, right? This deep grab here, and then the move up, and that's exactly what happened. So W analysis, W idea, and now let's see where we go. Buy stops got activated. Nice. I got in on the flip. Very nice. Yeah, that's one thing I like to I still study that type of stuff, right? Like waiting on the flip or the break of the highs for news. Every time we've done it, we've actually succeeded pretty good too. But yeah, this thing's moving on up here. People who so believe in unicorns. Yeah. There she goes. Let's go take a look at NAS here. Yeah, look at that. So we never broke on the weekly time frame there. The 4 hour. Let's peep that 4 hour. Look at that. Right back up we go now. So back up we go on NAS, and looks like we're probably gonna close above there on the 4 hour. Still got a little bit of time left, so we'll see. Very good. Very good. How'd you guys do? The squad printing or what? Took the flip. Let's go. Forex Frank's printing. Who else is printing over here? Took buys with a limit. Nice. Nice. Took the flip. Oh man, you guys are awesome. I think I'll close. NAS still struggling here, but gold. Big move.
Gold is just gonna keep driving up, I guess.
Yeah, the flip, I believe the flip got you 170. I probably would have closed partials at like 50, 55 pips there. Yeah, nice. Yeah, now that I'm trading live capital, we'll get to know the moves a little bit better. I like CPI on the flip, but NFP is always fun too. 180 is there good stuff, man. If you call buys down here, that was insane. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Wow. Took that first drop. Nice. 50 pips. Got another gold juice, but it's been all gold juice boxes. That's right. Daily candles, they're not slowing down here, man. Look at that run. That's a rally. That's a rally right there. That's true. PM Magnifico in the house. That's true. That's true. Almost blew my account. Happens. Oh, Sam, I think you're muted, bro. Have you been trying to talk this whole time? No, still muted. It's your mic.
Your microphone, bro. That's
What the
breaking
hell?
things.
Let me get someone who can read sign language up here. Which one of you guys can read sign language? Pull you on up here. Translate everything Sam says today.
Damn, I'll try to read your lips.
Great day for your mic to go down here, Sam. Post NFP now. Go fund me.
Is it working now?
Yeah, you good.
All right.
There you go.
Holy, bro. I was like, yeah, bro. Y'all can't hear me.
Damn.
I don't know if you've been talking for a while, but
I don't know. Maybe like 5 minutes. Maybe like. Wait,
just-
have I said anything since NFP came out?
Nah.
What? I
You
was
probably
like,
did, but nobody heard you.
dude, well, when it came down and it was bleeding, I was like, extremely green numbers, extremely green.
No,
and then
that's
and it
so
went and
funny.
flipped. Yeah, extremely green.
Damn, I did not hear
270K.
that.
Yo, I wonder if you guys like go back and watch my lips. That's so funny.
That's hilarious.
Matrix don't want us to win.
Sheesh. 275. Wow.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And you damn.
Jerome put me on mute.
He was like, nah, can't.
He's
can't
like,
hit
no
him with
more.
the sauce.
Did I get any pips? Nah, I didn't. I almost did. But the thing for me, chat, is like I also have like a sort of a system that, like, if I want to trade the news, like I have a system for that as well. So like it closed bearish straight up into the news, and then look, it did that massive down wick first, and then it went up. So like usually, like if you get like, not always, but sometimes if you get a support right before it, it'll just do that print where it just like it would have just been like where it's at right now as soon as the candle opens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that,
That
it
is
went down
just-
first.
Yeah, me too. It makes sense now. It like looks good too.
Wow.
And then now you got a nice
Respectable
4
low.
hour. Yeah.
Sheesh.
Beautiful.
Insane.
What's next for Powell with this number? So you seen the this good number come out here, right? This good number for the employment sector. So you're gonna see gold continue up. And so let's look at what our next main fundamental catalyst will be. Tuesday we have CPI, right? So Monday we don't have anything. Tuesday we have CPI. The forecasts aren't out yet though, so I can't tell you what might happen with that yet. But that will be the next. Like gold should continue just trending bullish like it has been. And then CPI, we'll see whether, because with CPI, if we see green numbers with CPI and inflation is back up, that means that the Fed's going to have to hold the rates higher for longer. So you'll see the correction start of this move that we had.
Yeah, you finally got a 5-minute closure, so you should fill that wick. We may have to wait for structure here on the 5, right? Some sort of pullback and then the move up. Kind of like we wanted to see here on the 1 hour where you had the move up and then the pullback support formed. If we can maybe see that on the 5, that would probably be our doorway in. Sweating. Ooh, 8K loss. That's alright. That's alright.
It's all right.
Stuck to the plan. Did not trade news. There you go. Beautiful. Job well done. Yeah, W.
Yeah, W.
Yeah, I didn't have any plans to trade news here today either.
Yeah, even me, like it's got to be dead perfect, chat. Like it's gotta be dead perfect. Yeah, see, like on the 5-minute, like you had a bearish candle right before it too. Like, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I think one of the trickiest things, the all-time highs here.
Yeah, that as well. Like, yeah, like whenever you said like once it re-broke those highs at like plus 50 pips or whatever, if you took it on the flip,
Yeah.
that would have been like a good place to secure just in case it did then like re-break those highs.
Right
and
around here.
You know how gold is. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see. We might keep climbing here on the 5, but if we do get some sort of a pullback, and it's cool, like we got all session ahead of us. It's only 8:30 here. So if you get like pullbacks, like you fail to break the wick, begin to come down like this, and then possibly look for a buy position down here. Right? This will probably be around like, I would say 9:15-ish, and then we could look to take price back up. So just got to go down to a lower time frame.
Yeah, that would be so beautiful.
Yeah. But we'll see. We're going to approach this wick. Looks like we're filling it now. So we'll see what happens here.
Just wait on it. Yeah. Thank you, Sam. You're very welcome, Green.
Green.
Love you, Brody.
Pleasant comment. What a pleasant comment, Green. News with no stops, like roller coaster with no seatbelt. Yeah, your stops. I mean, where were your stops, right? Like, even if you took it off the 1 minute, you had 70 pip stops, I believe, on that.
Previous daily candle.
You can't really use stops when it comes to you have to have your finger on the close button. Oh, damn.
Pushing 22. Can we say 22? Oh, yo, that reminds me. I want to see the poll I posted yesterday.
200 pip juice box.
I want to see some bleeders, man. It's whatever.
My buy limit was missed. Ooh, all good, all good. Would there be an average point expected to drop before the news? Yeah, actually it hit it like perfectly. If you look at the 1 hour, this was like, I mean, when it comes to price action, this is what I see. Like right here, you see how like there's a lot of wicks here, a lot of wicks here, and price came down, tapped right into that area, and then shoop. Adios. See you later. Yeah, it was either there or I would say down here at like 53. Wow. She gone. But the cool part about these wicks is these were the 4 hour lows. So price action just respected price so good right there. Like never broke the low. Came right down to it and never broke it. Insane. Yep. Nazier trying to climb above here. You got a 1 hour, 4 hour closure in 15 minutes. You have a 15 closure though coming up here in like 2 minutes. Sheesh. Let's go, Jamil. Let's get it.
I'll be right back.
Gold's gone. She gone. Yeah, so that's exactly what we really expected to see there, you know. Really expected that wick down. That was big. And then that was literally, you guys ever shoot a bow? That was like whoosh, pull back on the bow so it could fly. So happy to see all that play out. And a lot of people took sells there. Shout out to you guys that took sells and closed, but a lot of people didn't close there. You know, you had that wick to fill down there as well if you're looking at it from a selling standpoint. and there was really nothing to close here, right? No reason outside if you were looking at the hourly. I mean the oh, this is NAS. Let me go back to gold. If you're looking at like the hourly, maybe you see these levels here, but yeah, a lot of people are gonna probably continue holding that sell. Rafi switched up the volt, eh? I like
Yeah,
it.
I did.
I like it. I like it. I had to switch the room up.
Yeah, you know, sometimes you just gotta change rooms, change the vibe a little bit.
Got to.
You know?
New vibe.
Yeah.
Most times news will, yeah, news could be tough. That's all true, Dion. Oh, we out to Vegas. Yeah, so let's see if we can get a pullback now on the 5. See how the bullish candles are dying out here. So let's sit tight, wait and see if we can come down a bit, and then we can get the next leg up. Account blown. Sorry to hear that, bro. How come you guys don't just like risk like a little amount on news and then save like your bigger amounts for like your A+ setups? Rafi had to upgrade the Volt. He's got too much money, man. He's rolling in gold over there.
All those buys, brother. All those buys. I had to change the room.
Rafi's been holding buys since last week. Damn. This daily, holy. This daily is on the run. What are these doing here? I don't have these. I passed my funded challenge. Nice. Congratulations. W. All right, so let's see what happens here. All right, yeah, so let's see if we can sell off now and do what we kind of planned here, and then maybe, just maybe, this 4-hour candle pulls back, and then we're going to need a bottom wick on the next one. Probably nothing too crazy, but the way that should look on the 5-minute is exactly how we drew it out before. All right, so let's say if you're looking at 5 minutes, this candle's about to end. That's going to be 850. Then it's going to be 850 to 9. So you have a pullback there for your 4-hour candle, and that 4-hour candle will now close something like this. All right, like let's say like this, above the range. And then you're going to need another wick, right? So you're probably going to need a bottom wick on the new 4-hour candle, and that could look something like this, right? And then if we get that support, Now we can say, okay, this candle should move up and fill the wick, and that would be this move right here, right? So once you create support, this is going to be your 4-hour wick fill, and you should see 5-minute candles come back up here. So that's the plan right now. And that would make sense. That would align with the 1 hour, 4 hour, 30-minute, all that. So 4 hours coming back down. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's true. The raw reality of trading. While one passes challenge, others blow accounts. Oh, nice, Shetty. Shetty with the dub. What up, Shetty? I like chicken. 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 All right, I will be right back. Give me 1 sec.
If I say that word too loud, my dogs will come flying, bro. Chicken?
What, chicken? Really?
Yeah. Yeah, because that's what I do. I hold a chicken up and I go, chicken. They love chicken.
That's crazy. Yo, where's Johnny at? Doing push-ups?
He's pulling Joe out of the trenches. I don't know. Trading with Angry Birds tournament money is such a good feeling. No emotions. That sounds crazy. I bet it does. Got logged out from DX trade. No way to open it again. Is it just sitting there loading for you, Bogdan BTC? Shavam, you're funny. How my dogs doing? They're doing great. Pep's getting huge, bro. She's almost bigger than Moom now, bro. And she's not even a year old. You're never gonna do it again. Heard that one before. Yo, what, Dominic? Sounds crazy. Yeah, man. Whenever that all happened right away at the X trade, like I couldn't even log in. The first time I logged into it was Wednesday, like 2 days ago. Something else. I think I have it. Nope, it lost connection. I was gonna say I think I still have it open. I don't even know when it found connection. Yeah, next week I'm getting on to the futures with Nick. Chat. No more playing around, bro.
Do it, bro. Take care of it today. If you can get all your info in today, you could be strapped up, ready to go by Monday.
And then just walk right in, yeah, Monday.
Monday.
Like, Yo, yeah, that's what I should do today. I'm not really doing anything.
Monday. It's pretty simple too.
Why futures? Just because it's super hard to trade FX now in the US. A lot of regulations have came in. What broker? I'll probably just use the same one Nick is.
Yeah. Too much debacles going on here, man.
Yeah, man.
Too
Like
sketchy.
I was telling Nick, I think like a week or two ago. Like I was like, it's crazy, bro. We shouldn't even have to worry about like. The only thing I should have to worry about is what the candles are doing.
For real. Where'd John go? He's like,
Still doing push-ups.
He's
Still pulling Joe out of the trenches.
99, 100. He seen gold go up. He's like, I'm out of here. I'm gone. He's like,
Johnny
oh
went
yeah,
with the bleed.
nice. Gold moving down. That's
He
what I
probably
want
went
to
back
see.
to bed. He's like, I'm gonna take a nap.
Wake me up
Jerome
on
took him.
Monday. John's all set up with Trade of 8 too.
Oh, hey, really? Yeah, no, I need to get it. I need to get it set up, bro. I'm lacking.
Yeah, you're gonna love it because I know you like trading personal capital too. So
Yeah.
yeah, John's gonna come back. He's like, so what you got going on today, Nick? Yeah, I'm gonna get I'm gonna get out of here.
Oh man.
Yeah, I like MT5 too, but the fact that everything's all, out of whack now for us here in the US, so next best option, or probably the first better option over MetaTrader, what maybe we should have been doing this whole time was futures brokers
Yeah, bro.
instead of
That makes
using
sense.
offshore brokers. I've never had an issue with like withdrawals. Oh, well, actually I did have one issue with an offshore broker, but for the most part they were pretty straight on my end, but I do understand like the game.
Yeah.
I've seen some people, especially after the whole like traders domain stuff going on, that just kind of took it to the next level too.
That was what that's what I was gonna say. Right after that happened, and then I think it was like a month and a half later. So specifically, like what I was trading with Hanko, and they're based in St. Vincent, and so like I think it was Sway maybe, and then there was like another one, but they were both based in St. Vincent as well. Started losing their medical licenses and that. That was right when I was like, no more. It's crazy. I'm a miss MetaTrader though, bro. I'll be singing.
Yeah, I already parted ways. Meta who? GJ who?
MetaTrader.
Bye,
Sam
Felicia.
gonna miss it. Sam gonna miss it, bro. I'll tell you that.
Saying it's gone.
Had me singing, dude.
Had you singing that Justin Timberlake
Had
song.
me-
Gone. Oh, gone.
It ran away and left me.
And like I
feeling
said,
so empty.
Meta who?
I was saying earlier too, like
Oh,
there he is.
he's
He's out of
back.
breath. He just did 1,000 push-ups. How you doing?
What up? How you doing? Goes the juice box. How you doing?
Yeah. Nah, I mean now you literally have like 15-year-olds starting their own funding companies. It's getting out of hand a little bit. It's so watered down compared to the old days when it was literally FTMO and my Forex funds. You remember that? There's like no other companies out, and then now there's hundreds of them. So
Good
I'll
days.
never forget like when I first heard of what was it?
FTMO?
FTMO.
Yeah, me
in
too.
like 2020,
yep,
and I was like, yo,
I can get $100,000.
yeah.
Right. But it's all a lie.
Someone send me $5 so I can trade. Send the man $5.
The psyop.
Yo,
Johnny
Edson,
DiCaprio.
that's actually crazy, bro.
Johnny DiCaprio on the live stream.
That actually happened on FTMO. I think like 3 years ago, or maybe like 2.5 or something. I remember that. And then they like reset everyone's account. But he was saying like, so like the data feed that was being displayed in the MetaTrader was lagging. It was like 10 seconds behind the TradingView one. So you just watch the TradingView and you see it start flying, and then dudes would just hit buy, and then all of a sudden like 10 seconds later it started going up.
That's hilarious.
What are you guys
There
talking about?
goes-
Prop firms?
You remember
Funding
that?
companies?
Who remembers
Yeah,
my
it was
one
a thing
buy?
with MTMO like 2021.
You remember that one buy I took, and we literally went like 60 pips in profit, and it said I was in the trade, but then like a couple seconds later, it was like, nah, you weren't in that trade. You remember that?
Oh yeah, and then
Just
it closed
kidding.
you like
Yeah, yo, no, you only got
way
10 pips
down,
on that.
like, and yep, I remember.
Us.
Yeah.
That was
Us.
crazy. And then literally a week after that, MFS shut down. Boom, everything happened.
What
Slap
about when
on
we
the
were in
hell.
the trade? What about when we were in the trade and the spread just started to go up as we were in the trade?
Yeah.
Remember that?
Hey, spreads are.
Gosh.
Wait, hold on. Wait, spreads are now 6 pips. What's going on here? That's funny.
You're
Hashtag
10.
34
You're up.
minutes.
You're up 10 pips. Your price is driving in your favor, and now you're going down from 10 to 9 to 8. So weird.
Wait a minute. I was just listening to my mic. I don't think it's using the right one. Maybe
Do
that's why
that.
it's garbage. My
Yeah,
mic is
so-
sad, bro. Yeah, it is.
If we can get a support here, maybe even one more push down to give this 4-hour a better bottom wick, but that's all we may get today. So if we can get a support here on the 5, I am willing to give this one a shot, because we should come back up, retest resistance, and potentially fill that wick there. So we got a 5 closure in 4 minutes.
You rather 5 over the 15?
Yeah, because the 5 is probably gonna push here. You know, 15 looks good. 5 looks really good. Yeah, because the next the next 3 5-minute candles could potentially fill that area, especially today.
I seen a couple people asking about like why is gold moving up with the green numbers. I just rewinded the stream. If you go to when it was 8:17, like above Nick, in the top left, you'll hear me talk about why. Some of y'all get annoyed hearing me explain it. every 5 minutes, someone asks. G Sammy, that's not very good.
Yeah, we don't want to see this 5 rip too hard here.
Oi, Sergio is here. Yo, Sergio, are you still holding that buy?
Sergio,
Good, Sergio.
he's still
Yeah,
holding.
he sent me a screenshot. And this was yesterday. He's been in since 2094.
She,
Yeah,
Okay,
My man.
Sergio.
on 4 lots.
my
Hey.
man.
Close on the trailing SL. Yeah, not bad at all. Though, obviously, you're up huge.
All right, we'll see what happens here. Stops are getting wider. Doom, doom. Stops are getting wider.
That's yeah. Wow.
Pull back.
Yeah, Sergio, you have to tag me that when you get it, bro. That's crazy.
Dude, Ben holding.
Yeah.
Yes, so there may be an opportunity for me here. I might have some buy stops if we got to make a bottom wick here. But if we close with no top wick, it's going to be tough. This doesn't look bad. Let me go here. Yeah, this don't look bad. Gonna have buy stops here. So buy stop, boom, boom. Buy stop, make sure I'm good. Cool. Cool. So yeah, gonna have buy stops. Buy stops on the break of those highs. We should continue marching up. 4-hour candle is currently making a bottom wick, which is good. And if we re-break that high, you should see this move up here. Perfect. We broke the low again. That's good. Broke those lows. Good. And now if we come back up and break the high, it should be a goner. I just need 5 to trade. Send the man $5. Send him 5. Yeah, we may have to wait. May have to wait a few minutes here, but if we break those highs, we should be good to drive. You got about a 100 pip wick fill here. Oh, stops are getting a little too steep now. So yeah, so stops are getting too big. Let's delete and we'll hold off for the 15 closure here. So cancel order, boom, boom. Yeah, because now stops are like 70 pips. And we'll wait on the 15. That's why we never jump the gun too, like super early into the candle or open on the open of the 4-hour, because you just never know, right? This is a new 4-hour candle. It's going to take some time to make that bottom wick. On a day like NFP, sometimes you'll just rip, but now it looks like we're going to come down and make a steeper wick. So let's let price do that.
Just wait on it.
Coming down, back down towards that flip. Can we buy from down there? Go ahead. Yeah. Sniper entry. Maybe. Maybe. Which prop firm would you recommend? The only one I would recommend right now is Top One, because we have direct access with Top One, and if any issues come about, we can speak with them directly and not have to go through a customer support or be left hanging. So that's the only one. Other than that, I'm scared. I'm afraid of the rest of them.
True.
Yeah, Top One is dope. So yeah, we're moving down here. So this wasn't the support, I guess, and now we're coming down. Let's see how we react to 2165 here in 5 seconds. You may close a no bottom wick, and then this is where we may get the support now. So if we get something like this, on the next candle, then that's our opportunity to take our buys. Now we can also buy from a lower point and anticipate this 4 hour coming up to fill the wick. Right? Remember what the 4 hour looks like? Flip and fill the wick. That's what we'd expect to see. Right back from where we started. It was regenerated. Really, really nice bottom wick though there, if I must say.
Facts.
This is what Johnny wanted to
Gonna
see. He's getting excited
bro,
now.
Love me some pullbacks.
He's seen gold go down early. He was like, let's go. Gold shot up. He was gone. Dude disappeared for like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Sometimes I don't want to hear from the charts, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Charts will be there for you whenever you want them.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Nick Stew, I'm liking this.
Me too. I like it on the 5 too. Looks good.
Yeah.
Especially if we can close above here.
Yeah,
too.
I was gonna say. I feel like the 5 looks cleaner.
We could. The 15 close is gonna happen too. So we'll see how that 15 closes also. But if you break that high, you should move up here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, 30-minute about to flip here again too.
30-minute seller, but that 30-minute ain't gonna wait. I don't think.
It might not. Might not wait. Let's take a look at NAS. NAS rejecting there.
They look identical. Wait, no, because that's gold.
Hmm.
I thought that was NASDAQ.
NAS.
NAS here. See if we can get this candle to pull back a little bit. Got about 2 minutes left. This top one on MT4. They're on MT4, MT5 if you don't live in the US yet. Yo, I'm hitting that stop every time. First thing now.
Yeah. That stuff literally the same as first time put in.
Is that how you do like buy stop and that? Click stop first.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like a noob asking those questions.
No, bro, that's how I like literally felt this whole week.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how to take partials of a C trader, bro. That was fun. I closed my whole position. I was pissed because the thing just kept running. I'm like, dude.
Damn. Damn.
It's all good though. It's so simple though. It's so simple to close it. I couldn't figure it out. I was like, bro, what am I doing here?
Damn. Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Yeah, I wish I could do C Trader. It looks cool. I like the noises it makes. Like when
Hell
you
yeah,
close
now
the
in
position, it's like
nice.
making some crazy
It does.
moves that you.
It does look cool. That's for sure.
Yeah, we got a new 5 here. This what time is it? 9:15. Yeah, let's see if we get a pack runner here and then a move up. This don't look bad. There's the pack. Let's see if it can eject and now begin to move up. Buy, stop.
It doesn't look bad, bro, at all. Either on the 30 too, like at all.
Nope, that's like the 30 flip too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like where it's like tapping right now on the 30-minute.
Yeah, I like this.
Nice.
Let's see, if we keep pushing, then we may have to wait a little longer. But if we begin to reject now, it's 9:15 as well. We got high volume coming in as well here at 9:30. So that's when our second set of volume should begin to push up. I haven't placed this order yet, but I just want to see how this candle's gonna react here. Push it. Looks like it may drive down, you think? Yeah, if we don't break that high, then yeah, we may drive down. But if we do go up and break that high, then I think there's a very high probability we move up here. 30-minute closes here in 12 minutes. What we can do too, like what I would look for here is if we flip, create a high and then go back down and then re-break the high, that's going to be a little bit of a better idea too. If it doesn't, it's okay. We could wait for this 15-minute candle to close here and see if it closes bullish and then, you know, take our buys. So we'll see. I think that's what I'll do because other than that, the stops are like way too big, right? So it goes from 80 pips to potentially, you know, 50 pips here. So if we come up, make a high and then go back down, then there may be something for me. If not, I'm gonna just wait. Because the 15 closing bullish would be awesome here.
I agree.
Yeah, we may be on to the 15 if this doesn't pull back. Like if it pulls back, flips bearish, and then re-breaks the high, then that would be okay for me. If not, we'll wait for the 15. NASDAQ, oh, NAS closed below too. No top wick just yet. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, 30 closure would be good here. You got the open coming up here in just a few. Sheesh, gold back up now. Will we break the highs? Don't break them yet. Don't break them yet. If this 5 closes back in the range, then it's like we have a new range and we're respecting this one here. And then you get a breakout and then that's when it should fly. But we'll see. 10 seconds on this candle. 10 seconds. Yeah, look, close back in the range. Okay, that's cool. We're going to wait. We're going to wait on the 15 here. And if we can close bullish on the 15, then I think that's also going to be the new 30-minute candle. We got 2 5-minute candles for that. So let's see if we can remain in this range. Maybe something like this. First 5-minute candle closes bearish. Right? And then the next 5-minute candle closes bullish above the range. And now you have better stops, right? And you have a breakout here at 9:30 for price to move up. So I think that's going to be the A+ setup there.
This looks really good.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Looking good, looking good. Friday too. Mark, you ribs for you tonight?
Yeah, Mark, I might have to join you.
Facts, bro.
I like going to Texas Roadhouse and getting those ribs.
Ooh.
I don't know why they do it from there.
Yeah, they got good ribs there. Facts.
Yeah, I haven't been there in a minute. Might have to pull up.
Same, bro, honestly. Buys trade on TradingView. The future broker he is with allows him to trade right from TradingView in the real markets.
Someone say Texas Roadhouse?
Me.
I never get the ribs from there. I always get steak.
Yeah, you have to try them. You can get a half a slab. Try them out.
Half a slab. Yeah, my dad.
got
when
'em.
my dad visited, he got them. I was like, damn, that was pretty good.
Yeah, they're fire. TK.
Texas Roadhouse is fire.
Texas.
For real. Nick, we gotta do Texas soon, bro.
We do. It's been a minute actually. Ever since
Right.
Kingston was born, I haven't really been out to eat much.
Nice.
Can't go out to eat.
Gold, don't fly without us.
Is that true, TK? That's funny.
Yo, TK. What's good, TK? Yeah, that's funny. When we went out to Texas Roadhouse with TK, I was gonna get a steak well done, and the waiter wouldn't allow me to do that.
Why?
The waitress, I don't know. She was just like, "Are you sure you want it well done?" Because I guess she didn't like it well done, and the way it was cooked, it could have got burnt.
She was like, "Oh, you're one of those, huh? I see. We're gonna
Like,
have to
aye,
convert
aye,
you
so
today."
Medium well, medium well.
I said, shit, bring
Like,
the
who
cow
gets
out, dog.
well
What are you
done?
doing? Not me, bro. It
Hey,
got me
bro.
moving.
Her jaw dropped.
Bro, people got their own personal views and personal opinions, dog. Like,
She said, "You want a 21-ounce ribeye well done? Are you sure about that, dude?
Lock them up. Lock them up. That's what she was saying.
Put him in
Nah,
a bathroom."
bro, I like my steak cooked.
Oh man, Green, talk
You-
to this
you
guy,
like-
Green.
you like chewing.
Holy.
You like chewing.
Yo,
Shoot.
Green, what you doing?
She was like, "You guys look alike. Are you guys brothers?" I'm like, Nah. We're just friends. We're strictly just friends.
Well, you
Nah,
guys look
TK.
alike though. Are you guys friends?
Could you imagine getting a 21 ounce well done? Holy.
Hey yo, chill. I got medium well.
TK.
Go eat a tire.
Nah, TK, that
Tough
was
and
that
tough,
was
man.
TK, that was how funny when the manager came over and she was like, how's everything going? And TK was like, this guy just tried getting a well done steak, and she was like, oh no.
She was
The
like,
way
oh no.
she said it was mad funny, bro. Honestly.
She almost lost her.
TK's like,
That's so funny, bro.
yeah, the waitress been really good. I mean, she didn't let him walk away with a well done steak. He was gonna order it well done. She was like, oh no, not well done. Oh man. Man gets like one of the biggest steaks and gets it well done. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. Man's gonna do what a man wants to do, you know?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Little Mo would clip you, bro.
How you doing? Let me get the 21 ounce ribeye. How you doing?
I'm the original Dandara.
Dandara, I'm the
God.
original Dandara, you.
I thought it's been 9:30 for the last 20 minutes. Come on, dude.
You're probably like, why is it price pushing 100 pips?
We got 30 closure coming up. Look, all right, real quick.
It's
If
gonna-
this 30 closes above, that's gonna be great news on buys. That'll also mean the 15 will close above too. So not only we have a 15 onion, we'll have a 30 celery, 1 hour breakout, 4 hour breakout. This is honestly ideal. So this all looks pretty good. Let's wait on this 15 closure, 30 closure, 3 minutes, and then we what am I saying? I may have an opportunity to get into the markets here, and if you guys want to take the same trade as I do, then go ahead. Go right ahead. Just don't get well done steaks. 3 minutes. Nas coming back up after leaving with no top wick.
You can get it. The celery's coming back, huh?
Celeries are coming back.
That's
They
that
are.
March that we were talking about.
Yup.
Yeah, true.
TK, you're funny.
TK. Yeah, that was pretty funny actually.
Yo, Frank, that's funny
That
too,
is
bro.
funny. That is a very funny story.
Should have
Right.
been there. Should have been there.
Yeah, should have been there, bro. Yo, when did you guys do that down in Florida? Wait, did you, or was it
I think it was like January or something.
in Florida?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah. I remember now.
Yeah, that was recently. That was like a month,
Yeah,
2 months ago
with
maybe.
that meetup. Yeah.
Yeah, you may have a 5 celery too.
Anyone
2
tried
minutes.
vegan steak? Lock 'em up.
What?
John's a Beyond steak.
Yeah, lock 'em up.
I started this shit. I don't hear nothing no more. You can do all those how you doings. What's up, Mo? How you doing? You can do all the mozzarellas. You can do all the nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. But guess what? I'm the original Dandara. How you doing?
Yo, that one's hilarious. Damn. I'm the original Don Dada. How you doing? Oh man. I forgot. You guys can't hear that.
Oh, did you hit the?
Yeah, that longer one that you sent me.
You can, bro.
Dun, dun. I started this.
Started this one. You could say you could clip it. You could say how you doing, but I'm the real Don Dada. All right, this looking pretty good. Pretty good. Got a 15-minute support. Really would like to see that 30 close above here though. So we got 19 seconds.
Come on, 30. I think the 30 will do it for us.
Yeah, no, the chat heard. The Zoomers didn't hear.
Oof. There it is.
All right, so yeah, gonna have a buy stop here. Buy stops on the break of the highs for gold to continue moving up. 15 close bullish, 30 close bearish, but you kind of got this celery play going on. 5 minute did a little bit of a grab here, and then it should drive up after breaking that high. We should go. Yeah, this is pretty based off the 15 and the 5 more than anything, plus time, right? 9:30. So we'll see. We'll see. G, can we get a little bit of a bottom wick on the 15?
Make sure you're on stop.
I am. I'm already in the trade. I think I know how to close partials too here today. We'll see. We'll see.
If put you to the test.
Buy to stop. Buy to stop. Can we get another juice box out of NFP here today with the volume?
And then you said the way to drag your stops is pressing the stop.
Yeah,
Stop
clicking it and then just dragging it up.
Okay. Yep, you said right click it or?
No, I think you just click it.
Okay. Like the middle of it?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so on this trade, I'm probably going to go break even right around, let's see. Break even right around this zone here. Where is my... This would be like 24 pips at this wick, and then see if we can get about like 80 pips out of this. So we've seen our first move up. We've come down. We've grabbed liquidity. I like that we broke all these lows and all that good stuff, because that enters a lot of sellers into the market. And then if price does want to move back up now, we should have no problem pushing up and filling this range here at 930 after making a bottom wick and breaking that high right there. So that's the idea here. This is a A+ setup, so we gotta pull the trigger. Gotta pull it. One thing to think about too is like being disciplined to stay out of your trades, but also being disciplined to get in, you know, and making sure you're in there when you understand the idea and the concept. So now that we're getting a bottom wick, this is lovely. But our stops are increasing again. They're increasing. To close partials, someone sent me a video yesterday, so once the order is in, I can come down here, I think right click, and then close them up. And then just hit buy or something.
Yeah, if it breaks the highs now after it did that bottom week, low key, even better.
Yeah. Yeah, so come down here, hit create new order, and then put however many you want to close, and then that's it. Yeah, so let's see, maybe a 5-minute pack, and then a move up. In this case, we would hit sell, not buy. Doop, doop, doop.
Hey, anyone in this trade too? I'm accepting the randomness of the outcome here.
Yep.
All I know is that the odds are in my favor.
Yep. Yeah, that break right there was good too, like Sam was saying, because that also activated more sellers in. So if price actually wants to go up, I believe it'll break that high. But it activated more sellers, and guess where their stops are typically going to be sitting where our entry is. So that's typically when you'll see a push up, because you got all those stop losses, and now you got volume to drive back up. What broker am I using? I am using TradeOvate. TradeOvate. If we close 5 back in here, then we can now say, all right, we have a new range, right? So we can draw it like, oh, hold on one sec. So we can say, okay, well, now we have a range, right? We have this range here. You have support, you have resistance, and then you got to wait for a break out of it, right? Out of that range now. So let's see how the 5 closes. If it closes back in the range, we may delete and then wait for a closure above, or I may delete and wait for a new close above, but we'll see. We got 3 minutes left. Oh.
Yeah, Lele for the volume.
Lele, I think I hear some
It's not
ruckus.
dirty, so see.
I think I hear the ruckus. Which broker you use for futures? TradeOvate. This is the one thing about NFP and news and all that is that, excuse me, you'll either just continue the run or you'll consolidate. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and delete these because this doesn't make sense anymore. So I'm gonna cancel this order again. So gonna delete the buy stops there. And just wait. Just wait for more familiar price action to come to us. Because now this doesn't look the greatest. 30 actually did close below there too.
They like closed slightly below on my micro chart, but like
Oh, my
it
bad.
closed above on the
Oh yeah,
end,
nah.
but-
It actually did close above. My bad. I was using the wrong. I was using that 5 minute. Yeah, 30 did close above, so we can push down here and respect that low and then flip back up and see it move up. So just gotta wait now. Just gotta wait. All right, what's chat? Chat's probably quiet because we have buy stops, right? Yeah, not too much action in the chat. Chat, you guys there? Is anyone out there? Okay, cool.
What's up, Faraz?
I get it. Everyone's focused. Chat's late.
Faraz, what you hit?
Sleep
Try-
stops got activated. All right, cool. So respecting the lows there. Oh, here's the volume. Hi, honey. All right, here it comes. She's here. You gonna bring us some volume today? Huh, Lele? You have a good sleep? Yeah, good. Say hi to Uncle John, Rafi, and Sam. Say hi. Lele.
Here's the volume now.
Yeah, they can hear you. Say hi. Say hi, it's me, Lele. Respecting that low. Lovely. 1 hour still looks really good too. 30 still looks really good with that closure above. 15, we respected the lows. The stops are pretty steep. So
I kept my 30 buy stops.
Cool. Yeah, we're gonna wait for. I'm gonna wait for 9:45 here and then possibly reset them.
Then they bug here, so gold start pushing up.
Yeah. Everyone's quiet. The music is quiet. It's like we're hunting in the wilderness. Arr.
Yeah, that's
Lele.
funny.
Say arr. Arr. It's scary.
Ask Lele if she can give us signals.
Yeah. Let's see. 15
What does
close
the
coming
gold
up too. You
call
might get a
sound like?
you might get a 15 celery.
Gold call?
Yo, your mic. Can you guys hear Nick? Because I hear him like he's like on the other room. Oh,
I think he's
kinda
far away.
Yeah. I wasn't looking at.
Yeah.
Like a duck call? Or gold call?
Duck?
It goes like this.
Quack quack. Quack quack. At black.
Is that the goal call? Quack, quack.
Gold call.
At black. All right, we may get another shot here. Coming back up now.
See it.
15-minute closure in 3 minutes. You got a 15-minute celery here as well, so that's looking pretty good here too. I'm expecting the next candle to break those highs and then move on up. Yeah, we got more volume coming in here at 9:45, so we'll see.
Volume.
We could go down
new here?
too,
Welcome.
but I wouldn't really anticipate these highs breaking and then us going driving down, right? If these highs break, you should come up to fill that zone and then possibly retest that wick.
Yeah, it's Friday too. We should see a little bit of a bigger move.
Yeah, I think stops for me are gonna have to be current 15. So on the open of the next candle.
Still looks good though.
Yep.
Welcome, SmartStream88.
Yeah, right now my stops are at that current 30.
Yeah. I feel that. Looks good, looks good. 45 seconds. Been watching stream for 1 month now. Hey, welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome.
Get it.
Let's get it. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here. They're back in.
Now we wait.
Yeah, you got like a 15 celery here looking pretty good.
No, it looks really good. 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, like just looks good.
Let me activate the Quakers. Hey, chat, if this is part of your plan, you take this trade. If it's not, you do not take this trade.
Yeah.
Very simple. Very simple approach. Pump it up, pump it up. Make sure you're not over risking too. Make sure you're cool with first things first is your risk, and then yeah. So perfect. I've been activated, chat. So got into some buys here. Buys have been activated off the break of these 15/30 minute highs. It's 9:45. There's a lot of volume in. We made a really strong push up, came down, created support, and now we're breaking these highs during pretty strong times of volume. So we should see a move up. I'm gonna look to move stops to break even right around this 26 pip mark right here, and then potentially close some partials right around these levels here. And that is my trade. That's it.
That's all she wrote.
Let me send this. Let's see if we can send it. Can we send it? Yeah, we can. Lovely. All right, cool. That's the trade.
Another trade. That's it.
Another one. I don't have stop loss placed? What do you mean? I don't?
I think it's just because it says sell stop. It's confusing.
Oh.
Probably just trolling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, once you
So-
get activated, it's buy limit, buy stop, whatever.
Okay,
Sell
yeah,
stop,
so
sell.
if you want to close partials, you come down here, right click, create new order, and then you would sell at your wherever you want to close partials.
Wouldn't
Yeah,
you have
I
to
like
change
that.
the units too?
Yeah, you change the unit. So where is it? Right here. I guess you would be like, I want to sell 5, and then you just hit buy. Yeah. Wait, where'd buy go? Is that how you do it?
I'm surprised you can't just
Oh, right
do
here,
it in the
buy.
modify.
I think it's up here. That is basically modifying it because I'm clicking on the trade itself, and then yeah. Yeah. The close position thing didn't work really too good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. We would sell. Yeah, my bad.
What do you mean the
I
close
gotta get used
position?
to that. Yeah, you gotta sell if you're in a buy. That's right. Yeah, those NFP numbers though, man.
Yeah, crazy. If I was gonna like put a guess on it, I was like in my head thinking like 260. I don't know why. I always like in my head try to like think of a number I think it's gonna be.
The actual, yeah.
Not that it matters. If it's green or it's red is all that matters. But that's my fun.
Yeah. Then you'll see units. Go to close position. All right, we'll do it. I think you could do it this way too, right? Just hit sell there. Oh, stop loss. All right, where is my stop then? My stop isn't here. Yeah, I'm still a little confused on everything.
Let me see your screen.
But yeah, I see what you mean. It's not like it didn't fade.
Nah, bro, that's your stop.
Yeah.
That's your stop. So if you were to go below that, it's a sell stop. It would activate your sell to exit you out of your buy.
Yeah,
I was confused too.
I seen someone in the chat say that the line should be yellow for your stop loss. So I don't know. That's the only thing I've seen. It
should be yellow. That's weird. So how do I activate it?
What?
Yeah, who said that? Candles don't lie. Should be a yellow color. The checkbox is not activated. Where is the checkbox?
Someone just said.
Oh, right
Someone
here.
said yeah, but not with trade of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so when I think when I set my order and moving forward, I gotta check these boxes, right? Is that what it is?
Yeah, probably.
Gotcha. Hey, let's go. You guys are teaching me.
Really? So if we were to cross the sell stop line, what would it do?
Nothing.
Put you in a sell.
It would. No, I think it would exit him out of the trade. You can't. I don't think you could be in buy and sells at the same time. On futures.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I'm just like reading the chat, bro.
I need a weekend lesson on this, bro.
Nah, bro. Honestly, I think your stops are chilling.
All right, we'll see. We'll see. All right, new 5-minute candle opened. So we should get going here. Caught the news candle. Nice. Cruising into profit. You cruising into profit today, bro. Holy.
I think we really need to break that 30 high, previous high.
Nice. Yeah, cruising into profit. Beautiful. Yeah, if you guys took any of the trades on news, tag me now on Instagram.
Yeah, Michael Cook. That's what I thought.
Price is different on futures. I think it's a little bit. Yeah, there's like a digit or two. That's different. Yeah, if we do come down towards stops, I'll just exit out if anything. Give it an X. Where's the volume here?
You're right, bro.
Lele.
What's going on?
Lele's up and running, man. Yeah, that's the thing about NFP is sometimes you can consolidate. This 5 closed above, which was pretty good. So that we got working for us here. Yeah. Yeah, numbers are a little different, yep. Yeah, I like the 5 closure. That's really the only thing we got right now is that 5 close. So it closed above there. So we'll see. Like I was saying earlier, like NFP is one of those days where you're going to just keep running or you're going to, you know, just consolidate. So the only thing you could do is we waited for the support. We broke the highs there, which was a good entry. And now we just got to bank on volume, right? If volume's going to come in. If not, then yeah, we could consolidate for sure.
Paperboy, it's really up to you, man. Honestly, everyone has a different opinion.
Yeah, the stops are back below like this 5 range here. That's the only like valid stop we had, other than this. I think it was like 70 something pips. Yeah, 77 pips. So that's why I just stuck it back below the range. That way, if you do close below the range here, like let me grab this, then you may be able to manage it, right? But as long as we remain above, right now we have this 5-minute celery potentially. But that's why there's no other stop other than this 77 pip stop. So back in the range is typically going to be the best bet.
You may get a 1 hour salary too.
Yeah. Yep.
TK, yeah, it's funny, man.
But this rejection here, not looking the hottest. Let's see if we're just coming down to make a bottom wick to move back up, or if we're going to actually close below here. 15 closure in 3 minutes. So if the 15 closes like nasty, like doji below, then we might get rid of it. NAS on the come up though.
Hey.
Oi. Oi, NAS.
The 4 hours now about to close on the micro chart.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
I would like to see the 30 close above that resistance, but
Yep.
I like how your thingy says April 2024.
Yeah.
We ain't even there yet.
We ain't even there yet.
yeah, man.
Top left.
That's the thing too about futures. There's a different chart for each quarter. It's really the real game.
The real deal. Oh.
Oh, I understand. now
Triple
what you
celery?
mean, yeah.
Yeah, bro. I didn't understand it, bro. I was like, what?
It probably has to do something with like contracts or I don't really know.
Yeah.
If I had to guess.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Nick, if you click on trading view, if you click on the X where the blue line is, where your profit is showing blue line. You mean the red one? Blue? Where's the blue line?
Yes, sir. Green.
I don't see the blue line. $21.79. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got these glasses on. Duh. They're, oh my god, it's like a whole different world.
Yo, really?
Put
Was
my
it
other
that hard to
glasses
see
on.
with those on?
You guys are like, yo, blue line, yellow line. Oh,
I thought you were trolling, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Now I can
Blue
see
line?
it. Damn.
No, I don't see no blue line. It's really directly in the middle of the screen.
Wow. It's like a whole new world now. Damn.
Wait, what line did you see, Nick?
I didn't see
None.
any blue.
Bro, what?
None. That's so
I
funny,
didn't
though.
see any blue line at all. So what was it? If you click the blue line,
TK,
Just
you like the
click on-
BRZs? Oh,
oh,
I like the BRZs.
43 seconds.
Oh, okay. So just click on the line. It'll ask me if I want to close full or partials. Ah, okay. Right click or? All right, 3 seconds here. Looks like we're gonna close above, so not bad. We should get a quick run up here at this is the new 1 hour candle too. You got a 1 hour celery play. We should be good. Sitting sideways. Yeah, nah, no lie. I did not even see this blue line. We got
See
a
if
lot
it's
of
gonna give us a bottom wick.
we got a lot of lines on the chart here. Sorry, chat. Let me just show you guys what I got. Yeah, 1 hour 1 hour closed above there. So you may have a celery play on your hand on the 1 hour. That'll also break the highs. So once we break those highs, we can go break even, and then you should see a drive up if we do break the high.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it looks
You gotta
super
wick the
good on that 30.
wick the fill.
Yeah. 30 looks beautiful.
Beautiful.
The 1 hour looks beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this X right here. Right there. So click it or right click it? Click it. Click it or right click it? I think if I click it, it's just gonna close the position. So I don't want to do that. Clip it.
Clip it.
Flip it.
You guys are teaching me the game. You're teaching me the game here. Oh, if you click it, it won't close. That's right. A window does pop up. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I remember that from yesterday. That's right.
Bro, I don't know, like, if on the micro chart, like that 4 hour just opened, like, I don't know if it's gonna want to come back down, make a bottom wick.
Either way, I'll just space it off Olanda.
Yeah, we're
4 hour already made a bottom wick. Oh wait.
That's
Oh,
what I'm saying.
4
So
hour
it's
already
like,
made one.
Those like little blue arrows are so deceiving.
They really are.
Yo, right?
It's like, did I get
It
a
looks like
sniper
you got
entry?
a sniper, bro.
Word.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I was literally just thinking that.
Did I get a snipey?
You got the bottom of the wick, bro.
That's funny.
Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Dude's in it. That's so funny. Most charts are showing all-time highs, 2185, but COMEX price is different. Please explain. So there's just different liquidity providers between the different brokers. So like Olanda has its own liquidity provider, so you're gonna see a little bit of a different price on that chart. Same thing with like the COMEX provider.
Comics. Sent you a video on IG. Ooh, take a look. That's hilarious. You're funny, Perez.
He is funny.
Can we get a juice box?
I think we can.
Videos correlate. We really want to see those highs break. Right where our break even is. Once we break that high, it should get you should get a nice push.
Definitely, bro.
But really want to see that high break.
That's where I have my buy stop.
Okay, cool.
Sam stopped reacting to my reels these days. Yeah, sometimes you send me too many, bro, and
Stop the cap.
I'll be busy.
All
Busy,
together,
man.
shout Lele.
Yeah, right.
I don't got time to scroll the reels and the TikTok all day, bro.
He's living the real. He's not living the reels. He's living the reels. Rafi's meditating.
Rafi's on the beach right now.
Rafi's connecting with the markets. Rafi and the markets are one, and he's calling the juice box.
He's in flow.
Yeah, just doing my thing. Oh, just doing my thing here, bro. Just playing with this thing.
He's zoned. He's zoned in.
Cross, I'll send you a funny video to make up for it. When I find it.
videos. Let's take a look at NAS here. Yeah, NAS looks like it wants to continue up. 1 hour candle closed.
Yeah, gold should too. If NAS is, yeah, NAS, look at that 30 minutes. Beautiful.
Yeah, the one thing I really like about gold is that we're remaining above here. If we go back in the range, and it kind of throws this idea off here.
Phone Jerome? Alright, I got you.
Phone Jerome. Give him a call, Sam. Give him a call. Uncle Jerome. Uncle JP.
Here we go. Can you hear it? I'm hitting the buttons on
Nah, I can't hear it.
I thought it was gonna be funny. I was trying to push the buttons. I was just pushing random buttons on the. Hello? Drum pile, I need a bleeder. I mean a juicer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, imagine.
No
Hey.
bleed.
You gotta say less. Whoa, chill.
All right, Sam. Goodbye. No.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, well, yeah, my bad. I'm done. Yeah, bro. It's a good thing I didn't call him.
Yeah, I really like our 30-minute support here too. Our 15-minute breakout. The 1 hour just has to break that high. It wouldn't surprise me if we came down and make a lower wick here, at all. But let's see. Where the volume at? Where the volume at?
Here it comes.
Bring the action.
Bring the action.
Pump it up. Pump it up.
Matt, you boys smelling it?
Yep.
Smelling a juicer.
I'm smelling it. Tighten up.
Tighten up.
Strap in to your chairs, chat. You might start floating out of them.
Facts. That seatbelt down, about to take off.
Back to the beginning. We're back to the beginning of the playlist. All right, later, Arnie. See you later, my friend.
Yeah, later, Arnie.
Peace, Arnie.
Have a good weekend, brother.
Yeah. Touch grass, baby. All right, Frank.
He's Frank.
Lele's yapping too, so we may get some volume coming in here.
Oh,
I hear
how to
talking
keep
up a
yapping.
storm. She's like, Lele.
Tell her to go harder.
Go harder, Layla. Go harder. Breathe.
She breaks the sound barrier.
She gets loud, man. My dinner touches grass? Yeah, facts.
Facts.
My dinner touches.
4-ounce steak for lunch.
Down here in Florida,
250
there's a bunch
bucks.
of cows. Put on me in tonight, pound of cow.
A pound of some cow.
Yeah, Louis G, that's so true, bro. Where is my magic keys? I don't even know what to do with this thing now, bro.
Yeah, right.
I'll
Just
mail it
toss
out
it.
to someone that.
Frame
This
it.
will be my only physical memory of MT.
Frame it, bro.
Frame it.
I'm
I
gonna have
might.
to frame mine.
I never used you, but you were good for MetaTrader, and we like it.
A.m. Let's go. Last two. What do the last two 5-minute candles do? Looking to come down to create support here. Let's see what happens. 1 hour could use a bottom wick here. Same with the 30. Yeah, I think what I'll do too is I'll move my stops to the 15 lows now. All right, we shouldn't break those lows. Now they're activated. Dope. Yeah, we shouldn't break. We shouldn't drive back in that range, break lows, and then come up and fly. So if we respect that low, this is still game. If not, then we're gonna do a little I'm gonna do a little management there.
Honestly, that's what I would expect, like little tiny wick.
Yeah, we should make a wick and move up. Especially, we should definitely respect the 15 low there.
Yeah, structure really looks like it wants to drive up.
Wait, what happened? How come my stop moved back? Oh, I didn't hit modify, right? That's what I gotta do.
Yeah.
Modify. Wait, is it good? No, right? I gotta figure this out.
Wait,
I
let me
gotta
see.
figure it out. I don't
What
think
are you
it's
trying
good.
to do? Drag your stop?
Just move my stop, yeah.
Oh, just drag it, remember?
I did. I did it.
And then hit. So you should be chilling.
Why are you trading on TradingView? I don't know, because I am. Makes it easier. Makes it a bit easier. Drag it and hit modify order. I did. I did it. All right, 55 seconds for this 15-minute candle to close here. Let's see how we close. Yeah, the main reason is because MT5 is gone. Gone, baby. No more MT5 for me in the US. This month dedicated to learning Trade-O-Vate. Yeah. All right, 10 seconds for the 15 close. Closing a little weak. Weak closure. 5-minute retest in that zone there. 30 minutes still open. Made a bottom wick. Yeah, I think my stops are good where they're at. I'm going to leave them there. If we break the 15 low here and the previous, then I don't really want to be in this anyway. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it just like that. In hopes that the 30 wants to get rolling here. Using Top Step? No, I'm not. I'm just using Trade of 8 as a broker. Yeah, it's actually not looking. Look at these highs, right? They're all being respected. So we really want to see those highs break. If we end up breaking that 15 low, it's not gonna. It's not ready to go up. NFP doing it. NFP. Oh, will we break it? So I don't think my stop is activated here. Right? So I'm going to have to X this if we break that low. Yeah, you see right there? Okay, yeah. Perfect. So got out of that, managed risk a little bit there. I think I cut my risk in half, but good shot on that one. That was a good shot. We had a bullish bias, expecting that wick to get filled, expecting this traffic up here to get cleaned up, but looks like we want to create this high now and potentially move down. So we'll get out there at the break of that 15 low with like half of our loss, and we'll call it. Because now we don't know. Like now we may just want to range in this 15-minute, 5-minute zone here, from here to here, for the remainder of the day. Right? You see how we ranged over here a lot? So that's what, and then now you got wicks to the top side and the bottom here. So a bit sketchy now. I would have closed half. Yeah, I closed full. I just closed full. If we're breaking that low and this low, and you got rejections now, it's probably not going to move up anytime soon. I think the next thing now is if you guys are still in with stops down here, then you have to wait for a closure back above. If you can close back above, then I think you should get going. But I don't think it's ready just yet. Yeah, 1 hour has a bottom wick now. 30-minute has a bottom wick, so we'll see. But I don't want to be in anymore after those lows break. Time to enjoy the weekend. Yes, exactly.
Time to vibe.
Time to vibe. Did you integrate TradingView with Trade of 8? Yes, exactly. Yeah, I like it. I just have to learn it a little bit better. But yeah, I like it.
Facts.
Yeah, you see now that we're driving down, we'll most likely retest support here now. So you don't want to be in that. I think full stops would be hit at that point. Yeah, right there. Stops are sitting under the lows there. So yeah, good job. Yeah, way to take a swing at it. It was a good trade.
Yeah, W. Looks solid through.
Yeah. Yeah, we took it off of this 15 on the break of those highs there. We almost got to break even. We almost filled that wick, but we were shy, I believe, by 10 pips. So it was still 10 pips to go. But yeah, now it is time to enjoy the weekend.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
Congrats, Arnie. Certified with the funded trader. Nice. Beautiful.
Yo,
Congrats on passing your challenge account, man. W.
Congrats, brother.
Big dubs.
Shout out to Arnie.
I know a few people passed their funded challenges, man. Congratulations. Passing it with all the craziness going on, too. Holy.
Yeah, holy. I can't even log in,
Yeah,
bro.
Beast.
Can't even log in, never mind pass a funded.
Word.
Yeah, right.
Arnie, I'm assuming you're not from US? Or are you?
Probably not. Probably not.
Yeah, W's though.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arnie's been around now for a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Been around for a little bit. Let's see. All right, yeah, I think that's going to be it. Let's call it a day here. We'll come back on Monday. That was a good trade. Way to go. Way to manage risk there, too, if you guys followed all that. If you guys had buy stops on a break of those highs, you weren't even in this, so W there, following your plan. If you got in and it was part of your plan like it was for me, big W. Big W. So that'll wrap it up. A great week here. I think we went like 2-1 with this one. Yeah, so 2-1. Good week. First week on this broker too, so still getting the hang of it, but yeah, I'm having fun with it, man. Having fun. Boys, thanks for stopping by.
Yes, sir.
All right, boys.
Having me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Chat.
We'll
See
we'll
you
holler
all
on
next
Monday.
week.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good, brother.
Sir,
Have a nice
I'll
weekend,
let
everybody.
All right, y'all.
Take it
Coffee,
easy.
Sam, peace. Nick, peace.
Peace.
Chat,
I'm
peace.
gone.
Later, boys.
Peace.
All right, chat. Ahala. See you guys later. Have a great weekend. Vibe out on the way out. And be blessed. And we'll see you.